Sheena again? Episode what? I've lost count.
98.
No. What? Sheena's
think-
fourth.
Sheena's fourth
Sheena's
episode.
fourth. Yeah.
Yeah.
4.
98.
मेरे को लगा like total.
98 at some point. I feel like Sheena episode 98.
Oh, yeah, dude.
That
Imagine
would be
doing this
hectic.
98 times.
See, if we do it
She
three
does
times,
not want to do that, bro.
3 times a year, if we do an episode with Sheena, that's how many times in like 10 years? 30 times.
Yeah.
ठीक है, 98 तो
98, I have to live really long.
You'll have to live here and
You
record
all
every
will-
day.
You all will have to live really long.
Yeah. And we have to be interesting also, na, for that long.
Oh,
I think
dude.
you all will be.
For 90 years.
Yeah.
No, Sheena has been interesting so far till now.
So much pressure on
No.
me.
Every time you
Okay.
come, I feel like you get better
Yeah.
at this.
Today's
Now
a
you've come with
deciding.
With a
haircut
new-
and
Today,
Yeah.
yeah.
new look.
I'm having a
यार
bad
but
headache.
can I
but-
ask you something?
Yeah.
कुछ हुआ क्या?
So,
हाँ.
the thing is, I realized, and I spoke about this in therapy, that every time I feel like my life is finally in control, like in my control, I got a hair makeover.
Okay.
So you're
So,
feeling it's in control now?
Yeah, I've been feeling like that because I got a new job, and like, so I was just like.
So
fuck
you're
it,
the
let's do
opposite
it.
of what girls do.
Yeah, actually, not a little bit, maybe sometimes.
What do you mean by opposite?
Whenever a girl undergoes a breakup, she'll color her hair, she'll cut her hair.
So you're saying in distress
In a-
situations?
yeah.
Yeah.
Sheena is like celebrating and cutting her hair.
But-
short.
No. It's not like it's a little like wrong only because it's like so my mom never allowed me to cut my hair in
हाँ,
school.
okay. So this is your
Yeah.
बचपन का तूने
This is-
भड़ास निकाला है.
Yeah.
I can do it, so I'll do it.
The day my boards got done, 10th boards, I went and I got my hair chopped off and I got it done like some fuck all enrich. And it was.
we can't take such names.
I can't-
Sheena's
sorry.
destroyed.
I'm not gonna say. Can I not say brands and shit?
You can
You-
say good
Dude,
things
I
about
hate
them.
Okay. I hate that salon
Yeah.
because whatever they took 45 minutes to just put nail polish. So
On
I
your
hate
hair?
them on my hands.
Acha, acha.
So in general, I don't like that chain of salons. But I'd gotten like I got my hair chopped, like chopped. And I went home, and my mom didn't talk to me for 2 weeks.
Till it didn't grow back.
2 weeks में तो it's not going to grow इतना लंबा, but she didn't talk to me, dude. And now when I think about it as an adult, I'm like, what the fuck? It's just hair. Like relax.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then, yeah, dude, like in college also, I had like a really bad time this one time. And after I got like my reports, everything was fine. And I immediately went to feel like, oh my God, everything is fine. I went and I got a haircut just to like validate
Balance it
that,
out.
like, yeah, okay, everything is good.
But
And
you
yeah.
like short hair?
I love it.
Yeah.
I feel like a lot of people told me that it's just so like natural with how I look. Like,
Yeah. It's giving Priyanka Chopra short hair.
You,
right?
yeah, that was a miss. She didn't
No.
like it.
Priyanka Chopra.
I've
you
never
know?
I
seen
don't
Priyanka
like-
Chopra with short hair. Which movie?
Dude, come on.
Well,
Oh,
Pyar
in
Impossible.
Pyar Impossible
Yeah.
was one. And of course the Burfi role where
नहीं
Brother, you're
that
calling
is-
me.
You're calling her the R word.
इसको नहीं बोल रहा मैं बोल रहा हूँ प्रियंका
She
The
चोपड़ा
plays-
R word can mean so many things.
Yeah.
Not the Indian R word, the Pirang R word.
Yeah.
Firang Arwad, you can say she played a retard, na, in that movie.
Yeah, she was,
or she deaf and dumb. Something was up.
she
with
was
She was
special in that
her.
movie.
Yeah.
very special.
She kept doing this. Right? That's
Sheena's also going to start.
That is, I think that's the brief the actors get. Like if they have to play someone mentally challenged.
You gotta clap.
Yeah.
नहीं, it's like they're
Just take your eyes here and there.
mundane things excite them. ऐसा है ना छोटी छोटी चीजों में वो लोग खुश रहते हैं वैसा.
That's okay, yaar. That's
Yeah, even I'm like that. Not वैसा नहीं, but I also find joy in
Are
the
you special?
mundane.
Are you saying you're very special?
I am a special one.
That's one way to
But-
validate your
But
existence.
tell me why do they do this? Why do girls do this? Like is it like a fuck the world type
I feel
situation
like
where like
when you see a visible change in
उसने
yourself.
मेरा काटा मैं खुद का बाल काटने
मैं
के-
वापस काटूंगा.
What a pathetic joke. I feel like there are many things, but I would do it like if my ex-boyfriend told me ki, oh, I really liked your long hair.
Then you will cut it.
I'll fucking cut my hair, bro, just to feel like that rage. Like it really validates that rage. That's one thing. I feel like even tattoos for that reason. You get it just to feel.
Piercings also.
Yeah.
But
Or
that's just
feel
to feel
pain.
the pain, no?
not pain, just something different. Like it's a change you've made to your body, right? So you feel like, okay, something new is on me. Just makes you feel good.
What's the guy equivalent of that? Gym.
Getting
I
a piercing or going to the gym.
think. No
yeah.
one breaks up and no guy breaks up and gets a piercing.
Some
think-
people go blonde and all.
Yeah, some
I
people
mean,
get
Some
that.
dudes.
you get a buzz
Oh.
cut or something.
Buzz cut is there.
Yeah,
Buzz cut
I've seen a lot of
But
guys.
I don't think buzz cut happens after a breakup.
Of course,
No,
dude,
it
I've
happens.
seen.
It happens when you want to get serious, bro. You don't want to.
You know you will be ugly.
Ah.
Yeah.
So you know you have to
You're
work
like,
on
fuck,
yourself.
I need to work on
No,
myself.
I
now.
feel like with guys, it's not one thing to like, oh fuck, this has happened, so I'm gonna do it. It's a trajectory of things that happen one after the other. So they'll probably start with going to the gym or getting the haircut, and then they're like, oh, with the haircut, I could really have a good body. Then they'll start working on that. Then they're like, oh fuck, let me get a piercing, that fuck all long thing that
Yeah.
dangles on their ear. Then they'll
Krishna
revamp their
started wearing one,
wardrobe.
dude.
They'll have like cool
So guys-
clothes. Like slowly they rebrand
Get their
themselves.
life together. Girls just say fuck it. and
I don't know,
And let
bro.
it go. No, bro. Guys, I think they just fuck ugly girls for a bit after breaking up. After getting out of a... Because then... bro, I've seen it. Like, because then they're like, no, now to I'll fuck around. But then... If you've been with someone for that long, it's probably because you can't get anyone better anyway. So then you just go for...
You need to
I did-
downgrade a little.
I mean, it's really
I did some
breaking
can't,
hearts,
bro,
bro.
but
with this.
like
You did some?
I did some can't. You just told no about this whole X thing.
Huh.
I did some can't.
What did you
What
do?
did you do?
So Threads has come. It doesn't have a lot of audience. So I was like, who's
Because
seeing,
it's
bro?
stupid.
Yeah, I was like, who's seeing? Let me just chat shit here. So I posted something about my ex, thinking nobody's gonna see it.
Yeah.
The favorite
Thinking
ex.
he's not gonna see it.
The ex.
The
Like our favorite, all of our
yes,
crowd favorite.
crowd favorite. Yeah. My favorite also. Because he changed me. Well, no, this is not that guy. But anyway, whatever. As a person, I just became better because I felt like how to never meet someone like this again. Yeah, anyway. So I posted something about him. And I didn't know he's seeing, bro. So he's like, in his own way, you know, like a blind item. He's put it on his Threads. And it was like really brutal.
What? Like he screenshotted and
No,
put
he
it?
didn't screenshot it, but he just said something which was
About
very,
you?
very like directed at me.
Like he shared your thread and said it or just.
No, just something.
Yeah, because someone took a screenshot of his thread and sent it to me, and they were like, "What happened?" And I was like, "Yeah, I posted something, but I deleted it in like 10 minutes because I was like, no, that's not true to my character. I'm a changed person, and I deleted it, but I didn't think he'd see it because he's in a different time zone also, bro. So I was like, something's up.
He must have switched on notifications.
That's damn weird, no?
Maybe he just really likes
He
your
has
content.
a girlfriend.
No, as a content creator.
He has a girlfriend now. So it's like, okay, whatever. Why you see? Anyway, so then he's like, you live off your boyfriend and all. I was like, at least
said
find
that.
something nice to say, like bad to say. That's true. You know, immediately go to like money and like,
So
The
what
hard
did you
hitting,
say?
the fucking.
What had you tweeted?
I don't wanna
Threaded. What is it? What is that word
Yeah,
also
what
for
did
it,
you
bro?
thread?
what did you
What did you
thread?
thread?
Yuck.
That sounds so
like some,
stupid.
like,
Yeah, Taylor shit.
or like, what did you thread? Like eyebrows.
Yeah. Everyone was making those jokes for such a long time.
The eyebrows, huh?
Like
Yeah.
2 out
Oh,
of 4 days that he was
my-
working.
My threading auntie is better than threads.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw one. Someone posted a picture. You know, WikiHow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like it tells
How
you
to
how
thread.
to do. No, it tells you how to do everything. Like you
Yeah.
can search the most bizarre shit, and they have that. So it was just a picture, like a WikiHow picture, someone threading their eyebrows, and the caption was "Chalo चालू हो जाओ सब कोई."
क्या?
सब चालू हो जाओ.
You start threading.
Start
Oh.
threading. And these threads jokes were too bad, dude.
Yeah. Threads is only bad, I feel.
Why?
What makes me want to not tweet and put it on threads? It's like that.
True.
Isn't thread censored too?
I don't know.
Is it?
Yeah, I think it's.
What
it
did
doesn't
you
have
try
any
then?
setup.
नहीं,
What
मैं
did
भी
you
नहीं
already
threads
tried
पे.
it?
No, it's like why would you use a censored version
And I
of
think
Twitter?
that at thing in your bio looks damn ugly.
The
No,
number.
I like it.
The number.
Yeah.
It gives me very.
Yeah,
at
what
least
are
you-
you fucking robot, dude?
Yeah.
तुमको एक ऐसा number identity दे
It
दिया है
gives
रे
you
वो
a very
threads में.
Jewish vibe.
Dude, it reminds me that snap out of your reality. 'Cause
They
like,
also did that.
yeah, they were snapped off the planet, bro. That's different. Fuck that. No, I saw that and I was like, everyone is a prisoner of the internet.
They
I see
also-
that.
Yeah. तेको भी तू खुद जा रही है क्या जेल में वो?
नहीं यार, पर थोड़ा ऐसा याद आता है ना, फिर मैं देखती हूँ, I was like, fuck dude, and I put my phone off for a bit. Like, because I'm always on Instagram. My screen time is just Instagram.
Yeah, bro. Like your stories are like
Dots, they're
They're
not.
like ants now at this
No,
point.
they're not.
they're
Shut
not
up.
dots, but
See, today
it's a
I
lot.
just did a vacation spam. That's a little long, but otherwise, no, yeah.
ठीक है bro. Put.
Not to
होता है कभी कभी.
attack me like this. Please.
No. I've gotten in this thing now. I'm in my mysterious.
Mysterious era.
Yeah,
Mysterious
mysterious
era.
era.
You're
No
gonna do-
overexposure. Nothing. No one should know anything about me because I talk here for 2 hours every week. So
Yeah.
whatever needs to be known is known.
Yeah. But how can you do long form content and be mysterious?
So here I'm open. If you want to see me, you have to come here. That's the thing.
Yeah, we only see people at the house.
Yeah.
If you want to talk to us.
No, like
No.
if you want to know about me, you have to watch the podcast. It's like that.
Yeah.
I mean, that's
और
one way
कोई-
to make sure people are watching.
But I've seen the biggest creators, na, they're like this only.
Yeah.
Like, bro, yesterday Carrie Minati put out a video.
Mm.
I don't know if you saw it.
No.
It's damn good.
Okay.
He's making fun of like Saurav Joshi, Flying Beast and all. He's doing parody. Like,
Flying Beast is who?
vlogging content का parody video
so it's a
बनाया उसने.
vlog and he's done like
Who's Flying
Saurav
Beast?
Joshi ka hair. Some vlogger, that buff
Is he
pilot.
trying to be Mr. Beast?
No.
No.
No, na?
नहीं.
Okay.
Now he's a family vlogger. He has a kid. So he's making fun of them. And
Is he one of those pregnancy
Pregnancy.
update and
I
all?
don't think he goes that far, but
yeah.
he's good.
Yeah, he's
good.
Like he's
Okay.
really big and he's
Yeah.
decent. I mean, you could call it cringe, but what is not cringe?
Cringe is subjective.
Yeah.
There's a lot of cringe
Yeah.
that we like also.
Yeah. Like Saurav Joshi, bro.
Yeah, we all of
No,
us.
dude, I don't think cringe
collectively.
exists. It's just something you feel. That's it. Doesn't exist.
So
That's what not subjective.
हाँ.
हाँ मतलब तेरे लिए जो cringe है मेरे लिए
नहीं होगा.
भी cringe है.
That's what I think. Friendships are very heavily based on cringe.
Oh, I thought you were going to say
Similarities
friendships are cringe as a
mean,
concept altogether.
I
I think friendships are cringe. Huh?
what?
Come on, dude.
Bro,
What does that
if
even-
you're 25 and you have 10 friends, na, that is very cringe to me.
I
Like,
agree.
how can you
Yeah,
have 10 friends
for
at
sure.
25?
It's
I agree.
impossible to have so many friends.
Then you're
You
just,
have. All of us have.
you have
10
friends.
No,
Yeah.
bro,
For
like
sure.
Bro,
acquaintances they are.
No, friends as in like you'll
You talk
call
to them
them at
every
night
day.
4 a.m.
I can call one of whoever out of those
10
10. I
people.
can call them at whatever time.
But you have
just
10
to talk
people
to
that
them.
you can call.
Yeah, yeah.
That's so cringe, bro.
You're cringe, bro. Shit.
Hey, yaar, I don't
You
think
was
you've
cancelled.
met enough people in your life. Then.
I have. I've selected a few that I like.
I know. And most of them are in this room right now.
Yeah.
But I'm saying if you do more things and you're exposed to, like, abhi I had a job. तो उधर I've picked up some friends. College में I've picked up some friends. स्कूल से थोड़े लोग हैं तो ऐसे ऐसे करके 10 जन तो हो जाते हैं
But तू plans किसके साथ बनाता है? Who do you spend
किसी
time
के साथ भी नहीं खुद के साथ
Exactly.
but मैं सिर्फ खुद के साथ
Friend is someone you spend time with, na?
हाँ I
That's what I'm
can't
saying.
because
no,
of
I
whatever
don't
reasons
think so.
No?
No. Friend is someone you can just talk to about.
Friend with.
yeah
Yeah. You don't have to meet them often.
Like when someone says, "Oh, we're friends."
नहीं but वो भी
Okay, am I
होता है
supposed to say something else when someone asks me how I know you?
No, we are friends.
We are
we have a
co-workers.
we
Ew,
have
that's so cringe. Why would you say that?
we have a professional relationship also now. So
Now.
yeah, now.
After 4 episodes.
I mean, always, because the first conversation I properly had with you was on the podcast.
Yeah.
So
No one was watching then. Not a lot of people were.
yeah, now a few people have watched it after you've come here a bunch of times.
that was a fun episode dude
What?
trying to understand girls
Yeah.
वाला तुमने जो
Was that
episode
the
किया था
second one?
The first
the
one.
first one.
Matlab, oh,
Ekdam first.
ekdam first.
Only the two of you had done.
Hmm.
yeah have you bro since then
What?
understood
girls?
yeah
You all
Yeah,
ask me
bro.
some girl
कितने
questions
2 साल
every
2 साल हो
episode
गए
when I've
Yeah,
come.
yeah. Today, do I have any? I don't think so. I think I've become very this. After my toxic boy phase, na, I sat myself down
Yeah.
after a while.
Yeah.
And
So
then I was
now
like,
you're-
this is not done. I mean, this is not cool.
I'm proud of you.
Yeah. Now I'm in my mysterious vibe. And also, I think I'm open to
whatever
Settling down.
settling down, you can say.
तेरे
That's a changed man right here.
Yeah.
From the
Feels
last
good,
time
doesn't
Sheila
it?
came on.
It feels good.
I've been
honestly.
the same. I still want to get married.
Married and all. I want to at
Marriage
some
is
point.
extreme, bro.
See, I
He's
want
like,
to at
I'm
some
trying to take one step, she's taking
Yeah.
ये शादी शादी करा के छोड़ेगी वो.
Shadi at what age you said last time?
28.
28.
27, 28.
And kids are 30.
Yeah, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah.
How many kids?
Perfect timing.
2 kids.
Yeah. But
One
birth
boy.
only
Girl,
one.
one boy.
I'll birth only one.
What do you mean?
I'll adopt the other.
You've
Bro,
really
that's
thought about
that's
this,
so fucked
dude.
up.
Why?
The other kid.
He'll
Hey,
never
bro,
feel
every
the same.
time-
He'll never
every time
feel
there is
like
a-
family.
Who said?
I'm telling you.
Bro, every time.
this is dude. This is a storyline for like the kids like growing up and growing apart and starting a war.
I have properly thought this out.
Ha, wait. Let's
Le-
hear
yeah,
her plan
ठीक है.
first
Yeah.
before we shit on her.
So you're going to. You've
No,
नहीं
decided.
नहीं.
let's
We
hear
are
it out,
not
though,
going
na?
to.
Okay,
ठीक है.
anyway. First kid is going to be adopted.
Hmm.
Oh wow.
Okay? Second kid is going to be birthed.
Hmm.
So the whole point is that
So you're gonna put it in that child's face that see your parents left you, and here I'm making a new one.
Whoa.
the kid's not going to understand that.
How will he not
Because
understand?
he's
You won't
going
tell
to
the
be
kid.
2 years old when that happens.
Okay.
Okay, but will you ever tell your
नहीं
child?
but it's really cool.
It's going to be very visibly obvious that he's adopted.
Bro, but
or
you-
she's adopted, whoever.
You'll adopt the baby. Or
हाँ yeah.
Obviously. You're not allowed to adopt
But-
like
नहीं
a
but छोटे
grown
बच्चे भी
you are
होते
allowed
हैं.
to
I don't
adopt
want
You
to.
can adopt a 2-year-old directly.
I don't
what,
want to.
what if the
Are you
देखो
mad?
baby चाहिए.
I want like a newborn baby. I'll adopt.
Newborn.
like default
Newborn,
settings?
but not
Default
from you.
yeah.
But then what
Plain
if,
canvas I want so that
what
I
if they
can.
grow up to be ugly? Who?
That's okay. It doesn't matter.
What do you mean?
Doesn't matter.
नहीं यार अभी
See-
वो उसके हाथ में थोड़ी है ना.
हाँ तो वही ना.
So that's why na,
One
she
thing
has
I
it in her hands.
I have an answer to this. Only in India,
Hmm.
I feel I don't know about, so I can't like say for sure. But there's a lot of like options where you can meet the parents. So you sign up for like they've already signed up for adoption,
Hmm.
and as soon as the child is birthed, it goes to the people who are adopting the child. So you see the parents, you get an idea what the kid will look like. Just pick accordingly, I guess. I don't know.
What if he cheated and the
Yeah.
kid is just some random मतलब
Guys,
कुछ और ही
come on,
What
निकला.
if
let's-
she cheated?
Yeah,
If
she
she
so-
cheated, so then the baby
हाँ,
is coming
yeah,
from
yeah.
somewhere else.
The baby's gone somewhere else.
Yeah, my adopted child.
Bro, but like, chal, you have 2 kids. One is adopted, one is yours.
Yeah, so-
And every time they get into a fight, the other
क्या
kid can
है?
just say, "Kya?"
किधर से आया
क्या
तू?
है नकली?
That's where parenting comes in.
Yes, yes.
Where I'm going to make sure
Tell
that I
them.
raise my kids in that way.
What if you marry someone who was also adopted? Then the father and son will have something to relate to.
Maybe. So now I need to find a husband who's adopted.
And find a good-looking couple who is willing to give their kid. I think it's a lot of work.
No.
अच्छा
It'll
है.
fall
too
into
much
my
work, bro.
arms because this is what I've planned for myself.
But it's really cool
I'm
that
you're
manifesting
manifesting
it.
It's really cool.
But why do you want to adopt one? And
Yeah,
have-
so I was saying. So because I feel like it's it's a good grounding situation. Stop laughing at me. This is one
यार
thing.
मैं seriously सुन रहा हूँ यार.
I can only remember the adopt, don't
I
shop.
feel like there's going to adopt, don't shop.
Yeah, I mean, if it was between adopting a kid and buying one, I think you should adopt.
Dude, I don't think you can buy
100%.
kids.
Of course you can buy.
Oh
one,
dude,
bro.
you can buy. You can buy. For
You
sure.
can buy anything you
Serious?
want.
Haven't you heard of Jeffrey Epstein or?
I don't know about this. I mean,
Jeffrey
I've
Epstein.
heard about some like.
I'm sure there is a place where you can buy kids, bro.
On the dark web,
Yeah,
for
I'm
sure,
sure.
you'll be able to.
Yeah, probably.
Add to cart.
Proceed to check out.
Fuck, dude.
Will they come in a box though?
They get the kid ready. to
Transportation
cart.
charges.
They'll give you a verification
Send
also.
child back.
Certificate.
Yeah.
OTP bhi. The guy comes with a parcel of a child.
Sir, OTP दो
Sir,
ना.
OTP.
That dude.
Can you check the kid once they deliver it and send it
Ah,
back?
what if it's broken? No exchange, no return. They'll be writing
That's
over
too
there.
Guys, that's too fucked.
Huh. Grounding situation for who?
I'll tell you,
or-
I think it creates a very huge scope of empathy in the family. You have to learn to be empathetic when there is
Like when you feel bad for the kid.
no.
At all
But you
times.
can be empathetic irrespective, bro.
I
like,
think no, but there are some things that naturally like breeds empathy. Like even having pets at home, Your kid is just going to be more responsible when you have a pet at
I've
home.
seen kids kick around dogs and cats.
Yeah.
dude.
Yeah.
Have they grown up with pets?
Yeah.
Probably
they have
not.
But
pets.
they don't do it
No.
out of anger, na. It's
Yeah.
like a child.
Yeah, like
They think they're playing with the.
But anger में भी देखा है मैंने.
Uh.
Like.
No, I think if you should
No,
adopt,
brother.
if you're adopting a kid, you should adopt a pet also.
Yeah.
So that they have something in common.
I saw that coming. No,
Yeah.
dude, I'm gonna have. So my whole plan is get married, get a dog, then child one, then child two.
So
Aisa.
this is like a 10-year plan.
I would like to think so. Life
28
doesn't-
you're married. 30 you've adopted the child.
Hmm.
32
32
second
you have
child.
your own child.
Yeah,
Not bad.
that's my plan.
Okay.
32, you have your second child. Matlab, by the time the kid is 20. Or
Because see, I don't want to
52,
give birth twice. I'm sorry, my body's not going through that. I'm not gonna
So
let
what
it.
if
why
you
not?
like it the first time?
Yeah.
Are you mad?
Then you'll have to have 3 children.
Wow, 3 men are asking me if birthing a child is going to be fun.
I'm not.
I
asking.
didn't say if it's. I said
didn't
what
ask
if?
you if
it's fun.
What if?
Are you mad? It's not going to be fun. It's not fun. It's very emotional, yes, but it's like the side effects stay for a very long time on your body. Dude, some women like lose their hair, like all of their hair post pregnancy.
How?
Hormones.
Oh,
Your nose becomes like really big and shit.
fuck, bro. That's messed up.
It's very scary. Some girls, some
For the
women have
child,
like,
bro, to look at his bald. Imagine the
this
mother
is why I want to
talking
adopt a kid so that there's some empathy in my fucking
and some
family.
hair on your head.
You don't want a kid like this, dude.
Dude, it's
What if
too-
you get a kid like this when you adopt?
Oh.
Then what will you do?
Bro, I'm
Like
going
what?
to raise the child na. ऐसा थोड़ी ना. he's going
Arey,
to
why
just
are you
end up-
guys questioning my upbringing now? I'm a nice guy
That's
only.
a
yaar.
shitty way to twist that. You make me look so bad.
No, he said,
He's
what
like-
if he's like this? And you're like, no, I'll raise him well.
Yeah.
Raise him differently.
Oh,
With-
okay.
Yeah. To be more sensitive.
ठीक
And
है.
not like-
my mom watches this and she kind of actually liked you. Now. Until now.
Sorry, auntie. Sorry. I'm not saying your son is not sensitive.
Yeah. No, but that thing you said about the body changing and all that, though, I've seen like YouTube videos and all about this.
Scary.
Yeah. It's like it's only women, like there is no other way only na to bring people
Yeah.
into the world. Like
Yeah.
there's only one way to have
Yeah,
kids.
yeah.
And they all come out of women.
What's your point?
Kind of crazy that this happens.
No, if you think about it on a deep level,
Huh.
it is
How
actually
deep?
kind of crazy. Like
It is.
all the people in the world.
Have just come from a woman.
Yeah.
But now that's like.
That
Oh,
might
test tube
change.
babies भी आते हैं ना?
But they also come because of like.
But
Oh,
yeah,
हाँ.
bro, you need
Oh yeah, you need
an
a
egg and a
And that
sperm.
also you implant in like in a
person.
uterus.
In another
only,
person,
na?
na?
हाँ.
Yeah.
We are really
No, but now
bad at
there's
this.
like there are
That ecopod.
women who don't menstruate.
What do you mean?
because-
Or like trans people.
Yeah. so
Oh,
there's-
dude, this was a
Oh.
great segue into Netherlands crowned a first transgender as a Miss, like Netherlands.
That's interesting.
What do you think about that?
Works.
First
Like,
transgender
what-
to be like Miss Universe.
What
or
makes
whatever.
you
That's
like?
nice.
What makes
That's
you
okay.
miss Netherlands? Like if you're the prettiest amongst.
Yes.
Bro, and that's the Dutch people are so good looking.
Yeah.
them.
Dude.
That's what like how it's. Bro.
The Dutch women would be really upset. I've seen some.
I am
videos.
upset over
here, bro.
Beautiful.
They
I
were
don't know
upset?
whether they were upset, but they should be.
I feel like it's a good way to tell people ki hey, it's not just about how you look, also about the kind
Huh.
of person you
But
are.
isn't the whole competition about who looks?
I don't
Yeah.
think
What is
so.
the
Best.
competition about?
It's a
That's what I'm
shallow
trying to-
competition. na,
It
at the
is
end
a
of the
shallow
day.
competition. I agree. I don't agree with the whole idea of pageants in general. But at least like it's more. They're trying to. They've always said that you have to be this whole person to be
Yeah,
Miss
they make them
Universe,
give a
Miss
speech and
India.
all also.
Yeah, they ask them questions. You saw that Harnaz. They asked her something and she pretended to be a cat.
What? Did she just go me?
You know, na she became.
She didn't win, na?
She became Miss Universe. You know.
Who's this?
Kya
Wait,
kar
wait,
ke?
Bro.
wait. Give us context,
Dude,
please.
then clearly it's
I'll
about how
tell
she
you.
looks.
Yeah.
But she's. I mean.
उसको बोला speech दे वो म्याओ करके जा रही है stage पे.
No,
तो-
not speech, but they asked her, what are your hobbies or something? Like, oh, what's
Being
your
a cat.
talent? Useless talent, something like that. And she was like, I can actually mimic a cat. she's literally spoke like this.
What's
she's
your
Indian.
useless talent? They asked.
Something, I don't remember the question, bro. Like, we can pull it up. I don't know. But yeah. And then she's like, I think it's, something, she gets some fuck all like logic
Yeah.
behind it. And then she was like, I can mimic a cat. And she went, meow. And everyone's like,
That's a winner right there.
dude, but her other answers were also damn, like, I was not impressed. So maybe
Bro.
they're doing something by making this person
This is a
miss-
change.
because maybe her answers were like better.
How can you assume their gender? How dare
Miss
you?
Universe. Miss Universe.
Hey, they should have a they them universe also, na, now.
Or it's like some Marvel, the They Them universe.
You can't be laughing at this.
At what? We're not laughing at it. I
No,
thought.
I'm
We are
trying
trying to be
understand.
inclusive,
We're
no?
trying to
So then they
understand
can
what's
compete in one
happening.
competition altogether.
Yeah, but no, that's the thing, right? They don't want to like.
Feel left out.
No, they don't want to be like a third community either. They're like, take me, accept me as a woman, accept me as a man. Which is, I don't think that's possible, dude. Like, you can't, you're a trans woman.
Yeah.
You're not fully a woman. You can't be. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know. It's a little problematic statement, maybe, but I don't think
It's always
so. Like,
problematic to say the truth.
Yeah.
guys, you're all going to make this a reel and I'm going to
No,
get
no,
cancelled.
No, this is a milli.
Dude, this is why I love India. Because in India, I don't ever see something like this happening.
Yeah, it's like,
Like, theek hai, India as
dude,
a country is
Indians
a
have sense
conservative.
that way, I feel like.
Yeah. I feel like, bro, the best countries are thoda conservative. only. Like, to the right
Slightly
level.
I feel
conservative.
like
India is,
yeah.
I think, liberal enough and
Only in the
conservative
urban
enough.
areas, they're liberal
Yeah.
enough. Like,
Yeah.
there's a lot of other shit happening.
Yeah, that's why
Yeah.
we moved to Bombay, no?
Because Pune is,
No, Pune is also good. You
no,
can't.
Pune is full of rural bitches.
Yeah.
That sounded a little personal.
I like that.
Fuck
What do you-
that city, I
You want to tell
can't.
us something?
Let's shit on Pune. Let's shit on Pune for a bit, bro. We just went. Dude, we
But
entered
y'all
and
are
I got.
killing it now. Y'all are like, that's what I was telling him. Y'all are pop stars in Pune now.
Huh, but like.
Y'all can't mingle with the fucking bitches.
Yeah.
Dude,
Rural.
I was
Brutal.
feeling it, bro. I was feeling it.
I can't stand it anymore.
I went as soon as we entered. I told these guys I feel thoda toxicity creep into my life. Like as soon as we entered, Pune.
You felt the energy. Just
Yeah, bro. The
Kuch
minute,
to
you
ho raha hai
cross, the minute you cross the toll, the first question that comes in your head is,
Weather
are they still
drastically.
dating? Did they hook up?
Yeah.
Should I call my ex?
Weather drastically improves. Not gonna lie, bro.
The
Like,
weather was
is
really
so
nice.
good, bro.
Yeah.
but then the rest is just like, bro.
Is it really worth it? I mean,
Yeah.
I'd rather be here in the rain and grow as a person, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's okay.
No, here I just sit inside the house, na.
हाँ,
ठीक है,
your
खराब चल
job
रहा
is
है.
here.
Job is, that is a privilege. But
Yeah.
sorry,
dude,
I
I've
didn't mean to offend you. I've seen your stories in the train every day.
Yeah, but it's insane, dude. I love your like local train wale
Dude,
stories.
I feel like really putting myself up on a pedestal for doing it every day.
It's a
It's a lot. It's on. I mean, a
It's
lot
I
of.
insane,
think
dude,
I'm a
it's insane.
baller for doing it every day. Like,
Yeah.
I'm not even going to deny it.
How much time does it take you to
It
get
takes me
to
an
work?
hour.
In the local?
Not in the local, but going to the local, taking the train, then getting to work.
That's crazy.
Takes me an hour.
You change stations also?
No.
Matlab train same hi train.
So when I moved, I didn't know much. I only knew the Western line. So I used to take the metro, then take this thing. Then someone on my story told me that, hey, why don't you try this route? So I started taking that route, and it's been easier since. But yeah,
No, when we first came, na, I took the local and all, and I was like, the spirit of Mumbai, this is it.
Mumbai
whatever. If I'm traveling, I'll travel in local only because why should I waste time in traffic? Then this one night, me and Prashant went to Andheri
yeah.
from
Oh.
here in the metro during peak hours. Bro, I haven't
Never
gone out of
again.
the house only since then. I got
Sachi mein, dude. I don't
Bro,
think you
permanently
Where is the
scarred.
metro from here?
I went to Ghatkopar. Ghatkopar to Andheri metro.
Yeah. I feel like after you use the train for a while, you also understand where it gets empty. So if
Yeah,
you go
yeah.
just one
Yeah.
station aage piche, you're gonna get a seat and you can chill and go. So that's why I take from Ghatkopar now. I take the AC train. Because people are poor here. Then I'm going to take the AC train.
You book it online only?
No, I have a pass.
Oh.
Monthly pass.
So every day you can take that.
Yeah, I take that train. I stay, sit in AC and go. It's chill.
Okay, don't reveal more of your roots. And all.
Yeah, now she'll start from where,
Then I go to
where
my
do I go?
house.
No, I didn't.
Then
Flat
my
number.
society.
Yeah.
Hey bro,
Fair
like
enough.
we travel in train and it was like I was like, okay, this makes sense. If you have to do this every day, there's no way you're going in an auto or a car. It nahi hota hai.
The traffic is unpredictable more than anything else. You feel
Yeah.
like you'll reach in 1 hour. Chal, even mentally,
Yeah,
you're like 1 hour, I'll reach. Suddenly, it'll say plus 30. And you're like, the
Bro,
fuck,
it's
bro, I have
crazy.
to like give a presentation or whatever. Like, you can't rely on it. It's
But
too bad.
now though I feel Pune traffic is worse than
But the metro's
Mumbai.
coming, no? That's why.
Is it?
It's coming. It's
I saw, bro. That
आएगा.
oh, you know, the only one I saw is Bhosri station.
Where?
भोसरी में स्टेशन
Oh, that is so functional, na, I think.
I think so. But
Even
it's
the
funny.
Deccan ka line is.
हाँ, that is small part is active.
Bhosri
there also.
is the
Yeah.
first station of
It's
Pune.
wild that the place is called Bhosri.
भोसरी का स्टेशन.
That's what I'm saying now.
Pimpri.
First one in Pune. For a
Bhosri.
reason.
Bro, Pimpri is fine because it's funny in English.
Yeah, it's very funny.
Bhosri
in
is
English.
funny in Bhosri only. Wherever you say
What do
it.
you wait? What do you mean in English?
Pimpri, it's like because pimp, so Pimpri is funny. But like
Hey, come
Bhosri,
on.
I didn't
Bhosri is
think
much
about-
funnier.
Bhosri is
Yeah.
much
Bhosri
funnier.
is much funnier because we get the context.
Stupid
Yeah.
funny. It's
Bhosri
just
wale.
yeah.
कौन से स्टेशन पे भोसरी के स्टेशन पे वो like
कैब पे लोग
like गाली क्यों दे रहा है bro? आ
अरे
रहा
मैं
हूँ मैं।
भोसरी
से
वाला
बात
हूँ
कर रहा हूँ ना मैं.
Mumbai में is there a place which has a funny name?
there yeah
What?
I mean I'm sure there is something though you see no all the screenshots on IG with like some random place which is a
Mulund. But it's not
I
as
find
funny as
Bhandup
Bhosri.
so funny
Bhando?
Bhandup.
I find it so funny I don't know
Bhandup
why.
is
No
funny.
offense to anyone staying in Bhandup
No, but it's a funny.
it's
yeah.
just funny to say right like Bhandup
Yeah.
what is that so
The
random
sound.
We're just making fun of localities in Bombay.
Yeah.
No, bro, like it's funny how Bombay can have like Churchgate
Mm.
and Bhandup. Like,
That's called variety.
yeah, and it's chalo, Churchgate is in South Bombay. You know, it's like super whatever.
Yeah.
But there's Santa Cruz also.
Yeah. Santa Cruz sounds nice.
Yeah, that sounds cool.
And it's in the
Kalina
middle.
Oh, there
sounds
is
even better.
there is BKC.
That's,
Like it's funny only.
but it's
What about Bandra? Or
Bandra is
how
good.
how is it actually
Bandra.
pronounced? Bandra.
Vandre.
Vandre.
Bandre.
Yeah.
And anytime you read the Marathi word, it says Vandre.
But Sion is the most fucked up.
Shiv.
Sion.
It's called, why is it called Shiv?
They're missing Vanavari, I think.
Nahi yaar, I thought I haven't traveled only in Bombay. Like I haven't all these places that we're talking about. I haven't
You
been
don't
only.
know. Yeah, even I don't know. I just listen to it like
You're just shitting on
Five
I don't
times
even
every
know. I don't
day
even
in
know the
the
way
train.
to my own house. Right
Yeah,
now.
actually,
if
he
you,
doesn't know the
If
way.
you drop me somewhere, na here and there, I don't.
apps.
know. Maps obviously.
Maps, obviously, you'll know.
I don't know the place from anywhere to anywhere.
Good.
I
Now
still,
she's getting kidnapped.
I still map it like in Pune also. I don't
What
know.
nonsense. In
Yeah,
Pune,
it's
you
so-
don't need
Nah,
maps.
Pune, I know.
Pune, I map from your house. I used to map only. I don't know the way.
How but that's because you don't come there at all. I mean, you've come 4 times, so you should
Yeah.
3 times.
3 times. You should know
No,
the
but
way.
I've been to Aund before that also, na? Because I used to
Yeah.
come pretty often. But
I don't know. I don't miss it at all.
yeah,
Like
same.
Pune is Pune. I'll go every once in a while.
Why would you go once in a while?
When I'm getting paid to go to play
For
gigs, I'll
gigs
go.
only.
That much I'll do, but other than that,
Dude, but even like, so some clinic had called me from Pune saying, come, we'll give you like a, facial, this and that. I was like,
hey, you went to that chiropractor, no?
Oh, yeah, that chiropractor looked so good.
What?
bro.
An actual chiropractor.
I've
What
read
do you mean?
it's
Why would
a
I go to a fake one?
I've read it's a pseudoscience.
What are you trying to say?
I am not saying anything. You.
Yeah, that's saying a lot.
She got her back broken, or what?
The sound. Bro, I can do it, but I can do it to myself. Like I can.
No, not like an actual
Bro, come
chiropractor will
Can,
change
will
your
it be
life.
hurt on the mic if I do it?
तू पादेगा तो आ जाएगा भाई.
Crack your neck.
I'll put it
Neck,
down.
I don't know, but like.
I can do the neck. Oh, yeah.
Fuck. Damn.
I can do
I get stuck like this.
the rest of the podcast is like that.
That's what like the
But
kind
did
of
it fix anything?
dude, yeah, it did actually.
Like-
So I've been taking that tote bag every day to work, right? And it's got my laptop and like other stuff. And it's pretty heavy because I carry like my sunscreens and like just a lot of things. So I didn't realize, but there was more
Wait.
weight on one side of my body, which is why I got a horrible knot on this side. And it was just getting, so usually you sleep wrong and you're like, "Arey, what happened?" This was just getting worse. I thought 2 दिन में ठीक हो जाएगा. It kept getting worse, and after a point I couldn't like move. It was so bad. So then I was like, okay, what to do? Did some research, whatever, spoke to my friend, and we were like, chal, let's go to the chiropractor. I went, and he literally told me, the first thing he asked me when like, so you have to loosen, I don't know, have you all watched chiropractor videos on
Yeah,
YouTube?
Yeah.
It's insane. It's too fun
You've
to
seen
watch.
a different kind.
Okay.
Please,
What?
please. Go on. Sorry,
That's
sorry.
also insane.
Okay, I don't think I want to know what you're talking about.
Continue. Sorry.
Anyway, yeah, so he's like loosening the muscles to crack my back, whatever. And the first thing he asked me is, do you have any problems in life?
Hmm.
And I'm
ये
like,
तो बड़ा सवाल है.
I was like, नहीं मतलब कोई stress है क्या
हाँ.
life में? And I'm like, yeah,
Yeah,
I mean,
dude, I'm 25. What's...
yeah, like I mean, I have anxiety and whatever, and post-diagnosis, like it's been
Do
little
you break
whatever.
down?
No, man.
मेरी गाड़ लग गई है.
क्या बताऊँ डॉक्टर साहब?
No one has asked me that in 3 months.
No, but it was freaky, bro. I was like, fuck, how does he know? Because he was a very jolly guy,
Yeah.
okay. He was like, very, haha, कोई problem है क्या life में? Like that he asked me.
खुश होता है वो सुन के.
I was like, yeah, he's like, yeah, because there's a lot of stress in my back. Because when you have when I have a panic attack, I go into like a fetal position. There's a lot of like contraction, something like that in my back. And then he cracked my whole body, bro. He's held my neck in certain ways and kadak, it's happening. I was like, but it got better. He told me that you'll feel like you've just had a very long workout. My body was sore for 2 days. And I was so sleepy. I should have gone to work that day because I was so sleepy the entire day. Like my eyes were literally shutting. But it was worth it. 1 week later, like it got okay. It took time, obviously. But it was fine.
Dude, I've
It's
read
great.
it's like a pseudo science. I don't know if I've read. I don't know what the vibe is because
No, like muscle knots are a legit thing.
that
Yeah.
though, yeah, but like chiropractors as a
हाँ, they have some in the doctor का
yeah, they don't
sphere.
consider them
They
as-
just
They-
like
yeah,
they don't
yeah,
respect
they're not-
chiropractors.
They're
I
not
don't know why. It's
considered doctors or something like that.
not a real doctor.
No, but
वो.
I'm
Yeah,
imagining
something
if
like
someone is like a bad chiropractor, like there are
Dude,
there's
then
a
you're
bad
fucked.
everything. Then bro, what if you just snap
Then
and
you're
die?
fucked.
Yeah, what if like
It's
you
true.
paralyze someone as a
Yeah.
chiropractor?
Yeah,
That's
it's
even
too-
worse, bro.
yeah.
Dying is at least okay.
Dude,
That's too scary.
Like
No,
it's better than
actually,
being
he's right.
paralyzed, no?
Yeah,
Dying
yeah.
is better than being paralyzed.
Of course, bro.
Of course.
You
come
would
on.
Yeah.
be dead.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
paralyzes
Bro,
also.
paralyzed, you can't do shit. You just want to
Yeah.
keep your eyes open or what?
You can live.
How?
And do what?
Look at things.
Run? Like,
Look
what
at
do you wanna
existence.
do?
You can't run, obviously.
I mean, you
But
can
you
if your
can-
legs are fine and your hands are paralyzed.
Yeah, but I would think
You look-
most
you
people
look
would
funny.
choose. Most people would choose to be alive.
No,
Then
I don't
we-
You
think
watch
so.
Guzarish or what?
हाँ.
I don't know. I laugh.
Guzarish
So
is a.
that's the answer, bro. The whole movie is about how he wants to die,
Hmm.
and they're not letting him
do
die.
Anything. But I feel like if you're born paralyzed, still you'll want to live, and then you will
But
become
what-
like a motivational person. Ki, see, I can also do things even though I'm like this.
Yeah. Like, how about you hold a fork and show? What do you mean I can do things? What can you do as a paralyzed person?
I don't know, like, bro,
What
there
if,
are
like-
some people who don't have like legs and they're ripped like from
हाँ,
whatever they
मतलब-
have.
Oh, they look like that Pokemon. Round guy.
Geodude.
Geodude.
No.
I don't know. right. Bhai, but I
Come on.
got a massage the other day. We played this football tournament, and after that, my full body was fucked because I have done like zero exercise in the past 6 months, and I've gone to play a football tournament. So I got a massage, and this guy, he's like, "Oh, your muscles are very tight." This, that. So he's like, "You have to stretch." Then I was lying on my stomach, and he climbs on my legs and he grabs my arms and like
वो आगे वाला
stretches
stretch.
me.
Yeah.
Bro, so at one point I thought like my spine is going to snap.
डर भी बहुत लगता है वो टाइम पे भाई.
But imagine ऐसा हो गया तो.
Yeah, for
Dude.
real.
Oh,
Like
fuck.
a
Then you'll
stick,
get
you'll
fucked,
snap,
bro.
dude. ऐसा.
So yeah, dude.
But I didn't tell him to stop only. I thought I was
हो
like,
गया
yeah,
तो
I mean, wanted to see
हो
it
गया तो भी
snap.
ठीक है.
no, I thought.
So can manage.
I thought of course he knows what he's doing. Like
ऐसा नहीं होता.
Does
bro.
he?
Putting your
bro.
trust in him, bro.
later I realized.
How-
'Cause
why?
then he massaged the rest of my body and he got a little too close to some.
Oh,
Did he touch कुछ flick हुआ?
Flick नहीं हुआ.
Some
That's
insertion happened.
No.
that's what I was saying.
He got a little too close for comfort, but I think he meant well. Like I didn't
Yeah.
feel violated. I enjoyed it.
Did he
What?
tickle your testicle?
No.
That was a personal question.
You're like, did he tickle your testicle?
No, nothing from the front area.
Only that's why I said there's some
Oh.
insertion, no?
No, dude, like when I
Yes, you can.
You say.
when I get waxed,
हाँ.
like I get a little paranoid. So that's why I don't get massages because I feel weird when
But how
someone
does
is touching my body.
waxing?
It happens. So they put oil after. So see, massage, you're actually going to get massage.
Yeah.
Waxing, you're not going to get massage. So after you get waxed, they put oil on you, okay? I've been to like 2-3 places where they're putting the oil on for just too long.
It's like they're rubbing it in.
Is it a dude who's doing this or a girl?
Dudes don't wax. I've never met
I've
a guy.
I've seen waxed dudes. Like,
No,
Oh,
as
Acha,
in
acha.
guys don't wax people. Like they don't work as waxing people.
Waxing.
I don't know what they're called. Salon
Waxers.
people. Whatever.
Yeah.
salons. क्या?
Salon
Waxers,
people.
waxers.
No, I
Salon
don't know.
people.
They don't
Yeah,
work.
how do you respect a guy who waxes?
How do you date a guy who's going around waxing people?
नहीं
Yeah.
नहीं नहीं
What is your
शायद
job?
नहीं
I'll
है.
wax them. No, but see, if a girl does it, it's fine. Like if a girl massages you for too
You're
long, it's okay.
straight.
But see, if a
Even like for me, it's weirder because like
You don't know if the girl likes you.
What?
no, it's I feel violated either way because I'm bisexual. So like I get like.
Sheena's just dropping bombs, bro. Casually.
What? Last time I was like I'm demisexual. This
Yeah,
time I'm
that-
like I'm bisexual. No, but yeah, basically my point is they just 2-3 times it's happened where they're just like putting the oil on for too long, and I'm
Yeah.
like, guys, what the fuck are you doing? Relax. And also like on your legs, there's no need to come up, but it happens.
Yeah.
but do you
So I get
feel
like weird about
like
it.
do you feel threatened when that happens?
Yeah, of course.
But even I don't like
because what am I
massages
gonna
for
do?
that
Run out
reason.
in my like.
And you'll slip also if you're all on. That's even funnier. That guy means well, but you slip and fall when you're running.
That's stupid. You've never done a
Just
massage?
had that image
I
in
had a
my head.
massage for the first time like recently because my legs, like my leg muscles are very tight.
Was it a full body massage or just a leg massage?
No, legs. No, actually it was full body.
Deep tissue massage.
Yeah, I've done
Yeah.
it.
It's so painful.
But it's my favorite.
It's too good, bro.
That's
The pleasure
basically
in that
what
pain
happens
is.
at a chiropractor.
हाँ.
They
It's
give you like a deep tissue massage and then they crack your back or whatever.
I think we should go, bro.
Y'all should go, bro.
chiropractor?
Y'all should
I'm
go
down.
and definitely vlog it. Y'all are gonna get like some good content out of it. It's fun.
That's
Done.
good. That's a good idea.
That's a good, actually very good idea.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know. I haven't called that guy after that massage. I'm still like in two minds. The massage was good,
Yeah.
but then I'm thinking about
I'll
it.
call him, bro.
But you're just like next time he can actually lock me in a certain way.
Lock me.
As in like
lock each other in the bedroom.
no. Like he'll I don't
Lock
know.
himself in him.
He didn't even give me the disposable underwear.
So what? You were naked?
Disposable underwear?
No,
They
he
give
was
you
just
na?
like, I was in my
I've never gotten a
boxers.
massage, I don't
They give you and you have to wear that.
No, he was like, your boxers are fine.
तेरा अच्छा है.
That's okay, no?
Yeah, but then he.
But that disposable underwear is also a little too creepy, bro. It's like so thin.
It's see-through.
It's fully see-through, bro. It's of no use.
Dude.
It's not fully see-through. It's like a blur. But
Yeah.
Yeah,
come
that's
on,
what they
bro.
give you for waxing.
It's like
also.
Japanese porn, bro. You know what's there, but you can't
You
really
can
see
see
it.
तेरे सामने ही है पर दिखेगा नहीं तेरे को.
That is too fucked, huh, bro? Like.
They should
the
make it
Japanese
black.
porn thing.
Japanese porn.
So they blur.
They blur.
Y'all,
Yeah.
y'all must be feeling like so annoyed, no?
I don't watch Japanese.
Then don't watch
Whenever
Japanese
you all
porn,
did,
no.
I guess.
I
don't know.
know. I
Whoever watches, we all
No.
feel like it's so unfair. I don't know.
Justice for Japanese porn.
no, bro. I can just watch like any other porn from
Do you
that
like-
territory of the
Do guys
world, and
watch
it's
porn over the age of like 20?
If they do, they have some problem.
Right?
I don't.
Of course.
I don't.
Of course.
You
I
was
would
like
say, I
batting
would
for
say
it, bro.
majority.
They watch.
They would be
Majority
watching some
of-
porn at least.
Majority
of people on that side of the table, half
Yeah.
of them watch.
over the age of 20.
हाँ, मतलब,
okay, maybe 20
पहले
is
मैं
too
देखता था.
young, but like I don't know. After you
I
get a
used to-
job and shit, like I don't know. I
Haven't you
feel
seen
like-
Don John? Like the
No.
movie?
What is
Okay.
it?
It's
It's a
too
movie,
much.
but
हाँ, but it's
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 about a
about
porn
how-
addict,
I
basically.
used to watch.
so then that's what like
I used to watch porn, then I had sex.
Huh.
Then I was like, okay.
That's
this is-
that's why I never
exactly.
watched porn, cause
and that movie is like how sex was never as good as porn for him.
Yeah.
yeah.
Like sex could
And
never
he
live
was
up to
It's
it.
really-
dating Scarlett Johansson.
Yeah, and he was-
he was
Bro.
still like,
You're dating Scarlett Johansson.
So she
and you
gets
still
upset.
need-
She's like, "You can fuck me, but you're sitting and watching porn.
Yeah.
So what's wrong with you?"
No, it's damn scary. I feel like watching porn as an adult, it can really fuck with like your emotional understanding.
Why?
No, 100%.
Physical
Recovering,
intimacy with someone else.
recovering porn addict.
A recovering
yeah,
addict.
100%.
Dude, it happens because like you have to build physical intimacy with someone else.
हाँ.
When you have done it just by yourself for so long, you kind of
Yeah.
don't know how to interact with another person sexually.
Mm.
It's going to fuck you up, dude.
yeah.
I didn't watch porn like as a child,
child,
ever
yeah.
because I was Miss Goody Two Shoes and I was just studying and like nerd behavior.
They're doing the right things, dude, at that
Not
age.
really. I mean, whatever. It depends.
No, the problem
Subjective.
is that porn has also evolved like any other form of content.
Yeah, so I don't know anymore. Like,
So
Huh.
it's only become worse, is what I'm saying.
Oh,
So it's
fuck.
shorts and all out now.
No, it's not short, but like people are not satisfied with just normal sex anymore.
yeah, they want
So
like
it has to be
intense,
extreme.
like fucking BDSM shit or something odd.
No, even the normal fucking is just like too much now.
Like everything is enhanced.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
the
I-
women are not real anymore. The
Yeah.
dicks are not real anymore. The
Oh, that's
कुछ
scary.
real नहीं है.
Yeah.
That's so sad though, because like people watching porn now must have like unrealistic standards of like
Yes.
Yeah.
everything,
Yeah, you're right.
bodies in general.
Bodies and just like sex in general, because the way they shoot porn is not just like they get them and they have sex and it's short.
Yeah.
Like if the guy is finishing in 2 minutes, they will cut it there and they'll have sex again and they'll attach like them having sex 4-5 times and it becomes
Oh.
this one 20-minute long video.
Yeah.
So then it just becomes this whole thing where even for women watching it, I'm assuming if their expectation is that, they're always going to be
No,
fucking
I
disappointed.
feel like women are a lot more realistic when it comes to expectations.
I
with
think they just
sex.
accept it.
No, bro. Because, okay, let's be real. Guys are able to do like what? 10 minutes is like a good this thing, I feel. After that, bro, like,
10 minutes? He's good.
see, I am. Okay.
what
10 minutes
going on
is
here?
fucking great.
Yeah, that's what
It's
I'm saying.
champion level.
Yeah, like 10 minutes is good, right? Like, I think a good average should be like 7 to 12 minutes. It's fine, whatever.
I think people think 10 minutes is less, but like right now.
No, it's not less. That's what I'm saying. Like,
Yeah.
it's good. It's fine. Even 3 minutes is okay. Like, it's okay.
No,
She's okay. Now she's just dropping the bar.
I have logic behind this. My point is that sometimes it's less. Sometimes you can also go
Oh.
30 minutes. It really depends on how horny you are, I guess.
But
I don't
think-
know.
Yeah, what you're saying
Right?
is there are rounds. Like some rounds last a
Yeah,
shorter
like-
period of time,
Yeah.
and
It's-
some are longer.
That's just how it is, right? But as a girl only, I'm saying,
How else will you say?
I don't want to like be doing it for more than 30 minutes.
Yeah, you've got shit to do.
No, it's fucking like it's painful, dude.
Arey, but 30 minutes is to a lot.
But
bro.
30
boys-
minutes is a lot.
I'm just saying, chal, 10 minutes also. After a point, it hurts, is what I'm saying. Guys feel this unnecessary amount of pressure that, oh fuck, I have to keep going.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, why aren't you getting done? Like, finish. I don't want to do it anymore because you just snap out of it after a point. Like, it's. So, both genders are just like dealing with unexpected
Expectations.
expectations. And it's just sad.
I think
don't know.
the best thing to do is just get really good at foreplay.
Yeah, I think that is the most important thing.
Because that is the thing you have the most control over.
Porn doesn't show foreplay only.
They show, but then
Bro, come on.
in porn the foreplay comes after the fucking.
What do you
Dude,
mean?
no, 1 second.
The blowjob is always after.
That's not
I mean,
foreplay.
Before and after.
Do you consider blowjobs as foreplay?
I mean, it can be.
It's not foreplay, bro.
not
It's
foreplay.
definitely in the play. Like,
It's fully in the play. It is.
It's a main
of course,
act.
it's
It's
a
having
part of the
sex.
game, dude.
Dude, your fucking dick is going inside something. How can it be foreplay?
in a,
Bro,
in
I-
a mouth.
Sex is penetration.
Anywhere.
It's oral
Not
sex.
anywhere, bro.
Anywhere.
What nonsense?
Anywhere.
Oral sex.
Yeah,
maybe that's
It's
called
oral sex. Yeah, that's all.
Simple as that.
No, the thing, what I'm saying is, free porn never has foreplay.
Free porn.
Yeah.
What is paid porn then?
People have memberships and all, no? For like,
Yeah.
you'll have to
Yes.
buy, no? Like,
Sabke
brazzers
hota hai,
and
yeah.
shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
People pay us for membership, so I'm assuming like
They can spare some change for porn.
Yeah.
No, but actually, like I was saying, I didn't watch porn until like very late in my life, and then I was addicted for a few months
Hmm.
because like I was single, whatever. And it happened. It was fucked, bro. It really fucked with my like emotions and everything. But that was because I lost my virginity very early. So when everyone was watching porn, I'd
You were
already
already
done
doing
it.
it. Yeah.
And it's not
was
something I'm
making-
very happy about because it was not like fully like
Yeah.
you know,
Huh,
as a
huh.
child you get a little brainwashed, like I want to retain my boyfriend, so like let me do it or whatever.
yeah.
That kind of situation. But whatever, it happened. And
How
I
did
watched
that-
it. What?
How did that work out?
Retain हुआ कि
नहीं हुआ.
After every breakup I've been here so clearly. I don't know. No, but that's what I'm saying. Like that when I was watching, like my friends actually introduced me to porn in college.
they sat you down.
So that's
and
when you
showed
found out
For
that it
real.
exists.
Really?
For real.
तो बेटा I'll show
They
you
were like,
something.
Sheena, तूने नहीं देखा है ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. They made me like we just sat and they didn't play like real proper porn that's gonna make you like fucking horny. It was like a funny little edit or something. Okay, it was really funny. And I watched it, whatever. I was like, but then my curiosity actually grew from there, and I watched a little bit, and I realized that that time porn was not banned in India. So yeah, dude, like that time, no fucking free. This thing had foreplay, and I was like,
This is not what I
I don't want to directly watch people fucking.
थोड़ा तो एक like
Because
Get in character.
what actually makes you feel like doing anything is the foreplay part of it, right?
Yeah, the build up.
Whether it's in person or you're watching something. And free porn doesn't have that. So I think that's why a lot of guys just think like, yeah, fuck, let's fuck. like let's
They don't
just
know
do
the
it.
build up to it.
It's sad.
They think that?
Yeah, a lot of guys do. A lot of guys just don't understand the concept of foreplay.
I don't know about all this. No, but that's what I'm saying. That's the only thing which is in your control, because once you start having sex, it's like that part is not very much in your control. Like thoda you can learn one or two things, but like with foreplay you can learn a lot, is what I'm saying.
Maybe.
So
I guess.
that and if you are satisfying someone in foreplay only, then uske upar ka everything else is bonus.
Yeah, it's true. It's
So
true.
2 minutes, 3 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever.
I feel like to have good sex, you need to know how to talk well.
that's true.
Do you like
Oh, why are you talking about dirty talk?
not just dirty talk,
Just
like
talk in general. I mean, we
I
do a
mean-
podcast, so I think
So-
we're pretty.
no, I
pretty-
think just like talking is something that's very
But like talk
important.
them through it or what?
Talk as in just
have a
whatever
good
you're
conversation.
saying, whatever you're saying, bro. Like you can't be just fucking mum.
Okay.
You know what I mean? It's weird, right? I
Yeah,
don't know.
that
Mom.
married sex.
You can't
no
be
one
like
wants.
quiet the entire time. It's gonna be so weird
Nahi,
and awkward,
that's
right?
weird, dude. That's
what
really
I'm
weird.
saying. You need to like have riz.
Yeah.
You need to have riz while you have sex. I think that's really important.
But it depends, na. Some people maybe don't like it when you're speaking to them.
Yeah, if you speak too much, also it's a problem.
Yeah.
Just keep talking through.
Yeah.
So how was your day today?
Tell me. No, dude. Yeah, obviously, if you talk too much, then also it's like, the fuck are
Yeah,
you
you
doing?
should know when to say what.
Yeah.
It should just come naturally.
Yeah.
I don't think you have to train yourself. You shouldn't, bro. It's just sex. It's not that important. I think. I don't
Yeah,
know.
I mean, in a relationship, it is important, but it's not the most important thing, I feel.
Hmm.
Like, you need it
It's
to be.
pretty important.
It is pretty important because
Yeah.
you need it to be good, because otherwise you can have the most perfect relationship, but
Yeah.
if this sex
Yeah.
is like
You're
trash,
screwed, bro. If the sex
Ooh,
is
it's
bad,
too
you're
sad,
screwed.
na? Really.
then though you feel bad. You're like, yeah, she's so nice, but
That's my biggest fear in life.
don't you think
That's
you
how
can just
arranged
teach
marriage
them?
is like, bro, come on.
What did you say? You
He's
can
like
just
that.
teach them.
Teach them what you like.
Yeah, of course you can. If you've been with someone long enough. Yeah, if you're with someone.
I don't think
you're
I would be
comfortable
with someone long enough
Whoa.
because that
Whoa.
time, that long enough period of time, I would be
How
wanting
many
to do something.
how many
very-
chances do they get to be good? Like the first time
हाँ.
can be bad because it's the first
First
time.
time.
Second
चल,
time
माफ कर दिया.
better.
Strike 1, strike 2, strike 3.
How many strikes?
3 strikes, I think. Right?
No, I think if it's like, see, since I'm not the kind to just like hook up,
Mm.
it's a little different from me. I already like the person.
Hmm.
Then like a funny man will be like, why did you do that? That was like really random. Just like kind of talk about it and just
You'll
like,
give him a
What the
note.
fuck was that about?
Like, you-
for
instant
real,
feedback.
like, what was that?
Why was that so quick?
No, that wasn't right.
That.
You go.
What was that? Is that it?
That's it?
That can be in so many situations. Sexually only.
क्या हो
Is
गया?
that it? No.
What
नहीं
happened to
चल-
you today?
You
क्या हो
okay?
गया?
You want to eat something?
Dude, you
feeling
would
okay?
destroy a guy if you did
What's
that.
up,
to
bro?
him.
What's up, bro? Talk to me.
What's up, champ?
Dude, I've done that though.
What you've done or what's
I've
up, bro?
asked like, you good? Like, everything's okay with you? You drink too much? What happened?
Poor guy.
What do you mean? I'm concerned. Like, I'm cared. I make sure that I let the person know that, hey, don't worry.
No, but I don't think that's
It's
helping
all
him.
good.
That's
That's
not
not
helping him.
condescending, bro.
यार,
No, yaar,
Yeah,
come on.
ठीक है होता
It's
है.
with good
होता है.
intent.
No. I feel like if you tell them what you like and they can like execute.
Work around it.
Yeah, for
But
sure.
if you tell them also what you like and they're still like not good, then to
Yeah, because that's when you need someone who's not egoistic. No, there are some guys who are like, yeah, I'm so good at it, and then they're just.
Trash.
yeah, those guys are usually not good.
भोसरी
At
के
it.
रहते हैं वो.
It's true. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but that's what arranged marriage is so scary to me for this reason.
If they're bad at sex.
They probably are. That's why they're.
They're getting married with because of their parents.
I don't know. It's just.
रिज के मामले में तो पीछे है ना वो लोग
हाँ,
obviously क्योंकि if they
obviously.
had riz then they wouldn't be getting
Yeah.
arranged to.
Bro, ऐसा थोड़ी है.
But I
Some
think.
a lot of people get arranged marriage just because the family does the job of finding them a
Dude,
good
come on.
partner.
Have you watched Indian matchmaking?
Huh, I
Have you seen how they talk?
Yeah, but those people are kind of like, I think they have to get people who are very
Weird and
weird
like-
so that the show is interesting.
That's
Like in
also
a normal family, if now
That's also
tomorrow,
true.
let's say tomorrow my parents get some rishta. They're like, oh, this girl is there, you talk to her, you see. And what if I meet her and I actually like her?
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
So
that can
a lot
happen.
of people get arranged marriage like that also.
हाँ होता है. I'm not
I
saying
don't
that
think
doesn't
arranged
exist.
marriage, in like percentage wise, I don't think it happens this healthily though.
Yeah.
This
Odds are
kind
little
of
less.
this kind of arranged marriage happening,
Yeah.
like the percentage is really less, I think.
But nowadays, so even love marriages, percentage of them working out is less only.
No.
उनका divorce
It's
rate भी है.
50% now.
Where in India?
I don't know, I read somewhere.
It's in
50%
the,
तो
it's outside, not here.
India में कितना है?
No, it's
India, they
people
don't
are
allow
good,
them
bro.
only, you know.
To get divorced.
Yeah.
Are you mad? What?
They
If you
allow,
go to
bro.
the rural area,
What did you say? I didn't hear you.
So they allow.
It's a divorce joke, dude.
Arey yaar.
No,
Last
in
time
rural-
also I was confused.
last
This
time
time
it
also
was.
I'm confused.
in rural areas, they don't let them, bro.
हाँ.
हाँ मतलब परेशान
So
करते
that's
हैं
why
वो.
the statistics will never be there.
Yeah. Yeah, because we're just not democratic enough to get divorced whenever we please.
अरे but
Because
over
a lot
here-
of women depend on their husbands, no,
Yeah.
for like
Yeah.
ghar ka everything.
And also it's like if you're divorced, then to the chances of you getting married again, if you're from not from a really high class
Yeah.
with open-minded people, then chances
That's
are
it's like a stamp, like a
Yeah.
branding.
yeah.
Yeah, but no, this 50% divorce rate is not in India. I don't think it is. Because
Here it's 50%. Maybe they're together, but the marriage is bad.
yeah,
वो तो
probably.
Most.
yeah.
I feel like that's more of like अपने से older generation वाला situation. I think we are as a generation are very mindful of what we want.
Yeah, but bro, I've
People
seen
No, come on, dude.
relationships though don't last only like in this. In
Yeah,
our-
because there's
this day
social
and age.
media.
yeah.
Because you're exposed to the internet. There's no like this thing ki I have to make it work. I will make it work. You just feel like you have so many options.
कुछ नया ही ढूंढ ले.
Yeah, but also it's like extremes. In like our previous generation, people were working on it no matter what, even when they weren't good for each other. And then 40 years later, they're like, fuck, dude, like, I'm still in love with that one person I was dating before I got married. So they felt their emotions very strongly. I think we as a generation have fucked our emotions to another level. No one can feel it only properly anymore.
no
But,
one has it in them to like work on a relationship and
Yeah. I don't know why I found that funny. It's just, it's true though.
no,
It's
but
sad also.
if you, I think after a few relationships, eventually, if you're someone who is keen on building a good relationship, you'll get it together and you'll figure ki, okay, I probably won't get everything that I want in one person.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
there are things, these are the things that I can live with. Okay, I don't like it, but it's not that important.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
That's
you
all.
pick like 2-3 things that you absolutely can't live with,
Yeah.
and you stay away from that.
Yeah. But I feel like for me, at least, those things are not things you can see in a first meeting. You know?
Okay, give examples.
Are they like my situation is a little different? No,
I
I'm
want to
too
make a reel,
sensitive.
so
as a
give me
person.
3 things. 3 things that you really look for.
Look for.
Look for or don't look for.
3 red flags.
Like for me, smoking has become a thing.
Red flag.
Yeah, cigarettes.
Really?
If you smoke cigarettes, I can't. Sorry.
Why?
Like it just bothers me to another level.
Why?
Because first of all, the act of smoking I don't like. Secondly, like it's more than just the smoking. Now it's like you don't care about yourself enough, and you don't care about me enough to be healthy. Because
But
see,
that's like chain smoking.
chain smoking, 3 cigarettes a day, 4 cigarettes a day, it's
Still
still
smoking.
fucking your health, right?
Yeah.
And see,
I get it.
not eating healthy to some level, it's okay. You can, like, smoking kills you, bro. Like, you know it's going to lead to some disease
Yeah.
at some point or
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
So if I'm thinking long term, if I want to be with this person for 30 years, 40 years, if 10 years, 15 years of it is just you being sick, why the fuck would I voluntarily
Yeah,
get
fair,
into that?
fair. What if someone picks it up while you're in a relationship with them?
What if she starts smoking after she gets married to you? Like,
इतना stress दे रहा है मेरे को.
खराब कर दिया.
No, then that's a reflection on me, na? Then it's
Yeah.
my fault.
हाँ, चल then fix yourself.
Yeah, then I'll be like,
No,
ठीक है,
I
but
get
I
it.
like that. I like that in a woman.
Yeah.
but
In a
they
woman?
smoke.
If they don't smoke,
Yeah.
it's nice.
I feel like, yeah, I mean, for me, it's like if they're a stoner, I would probably stay away.
Stoner like
Stoner,
hardcore.
yeah. Hardcore stoner.
Like दिन में like सुबह
You're
उठ
only
के सुबह उठ के
smoking.
bong मार रहा हूँ.
Yeah. That's
दोपहर को एक
immediate,
joint, yeah.
immediate turn off for me. Like,
Because
Yeah.
then that just shows you're not serious enough about life.
Yeah.
They're very unambitious.
'Cause
I just like corporate people who have their shit together.
9 to
like,
5.
Not like just
Corporate is 9 to 5.
corporate. It can be your own business also, I guess.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. I feel like I just want someone who's not very in the industry I'm in. I don't know what industry I'm in, but like I'm assuming a little bit of entertainment or
Yeah.
just like internet,
Yeah.
Yeah.
whatever.
You
I want them to be away from it.
So like 80 followers.
Yeah.
private account, 80 followers.
2
following,
posts, one of them is in some forest, one of them is with you. Like,
Yeah.
one in the mountain.
Yes,
Cool,
yes,
like
that's my
that.
type. But also like stoners are an immediate like no. I also want someone who's like financially very literate because I need a lot of help with that.
to get a CA.
Get a CA,
No.
bro. You don't need a boyfriend
no,
for that.
I don't understand, bro. Like I need someone to sit me down and like explain and just take care of that for
तेरे को
me.
एक कोर्स करना चाहिए फाइनेंस का इंस्टेड.
What's your problem, bro?
नहीं सच्ची में इंस्टेड
I
ऑफ
feel like मुझे help चाहिए
नहीं,
ऐसा.
I feel like in a relationship, this is not a quality that you should be
Why,
seeking
यार?
because that तो ठीक है, like read a
Eventually, चलो
finance
read a
blog or
fucking
something.
book. You're gonna
Yeah.
say that to me? Read a fucking book, Sheena.
No, or just like you hire someone to do the financial things for you, right?
I think I meant more along the lines of someone who
Financially
Invests and
literate.
all.
Wait.
invests and all. Yeah.
Financially literate,
Rich
matlab
also.
you have money. Because otherwise,
What are you managing?
what are you? Yeah.
No, I feel like someone who's smart eventually will be like earning enough because they're smart enough to know that they need to earn money
Yeah.
immediately. Like I'm just like, and that in a first conversation, you know whether the person is smart or no. Thankfully, but
Yeah, you get a idea.
You got a vibe.
yeah.
ठीक है, that's good.
Also, I feel like I don't know how to put this, but like there's this thing that in that's in my head, which is like a slave mentality.
That's what you want.
I don't want that. Do you know what is like? I don't know if this is a legit term or something. I just think I've made it in my head.
Same more.
I've used this, I think,
Slave
before.
men-
Slave mentality.
Yeah.
I think I've said this
In
before.
what way? There's many different
Like my
interpretations.
context is that if I hear someone saying, "हाँ यार ये तो करना पड़ता है," like
To make
very-
ends meet and all of that.
yeah, like no, this thing ki fuck that, I'm gonna make this happen. Like I need to like do what's required and not just settling with
Someone
like,
who's in control.
yeah, I don't know, very it's
wow.
vague a little bit and I don't want to like
If you see
Put people
if you see a
down.
guy get yelled at by their boss in front of you,
such a turn off.
see that?
हाँ तो ये तो
Or
है.
what if
What,
your guy is
like-
yelling at someone?
No. Like, what if he goes, "Sorry, sir." That is, see, that.
Oh, that's so cringe.
See that.
That's so cringe.
Yeah.
That's like friendship.
Yeah. I feel like that's like that. No, I just like stand your ground. Like don't be like I'll get it done. I'll get it done.
But that makes a lot of sense because like if you're looking at that person as a partner for a long time, you want to feel secure, and if someone is taking shit from everywhere, and you're like, okay, then tomorrow when we are together, is this guy gonna be there and stand his ground
Yeah.
when it comes to the relationship?
Bro, yeah, like imagine families. For
Haan.
example, if his mom is just gonna be like, yeah, why you're working, make food.
And then he's like, he's like, अरे
Bro,
ये तो
come on,
करना
you never
पड़ता है.
know. हाँ, अभी तो करना पड़ता है. तुम जानती हो ना, मम्मा कैसी है. Fuck that shit. Are you mad? No way, dude.
Speaking from personal experience.
No. But it's scary, bro. Like, I've borderline experienced this in some relationships, and I've been like, okay, bye. I can't. Because long term, I feel like no, they're not gonna stand up for me.
Yeah.
So that's a little scary.
Someone who's always in your corner. You want that person.
Yeah. Criticize in private and what? Something.
Compliment and
Public.
Yeah, something like that.
we made our own saying today.
नहीं,
तीन
नहीं.
लोग मिलके saying बन रहे.
I've read it somewhere. It's just like criticize in private and fight.
What do you guys
together
have?
in
Like
public.
something that you need only. कि without this, नहीं.
I can't make it work with the
Yeah.
girl वैसा. प्यार भाई क्या और क्या चाहिए भाई?
यार तो कोई भी देगा
मेरे
ना.
लिए height है.
कोई भी नहीं देता
हाँ?
भाई.
height है.
Height like taller than you or just
Yeah.
like
Taller than
Taller,
me.
just-
Taller than me.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Like significantly taller than me.
She's just adding on to it.
Like double your.
I don't want it to be like
6'5"?
इतना थोड़ा सा नहीं चलेगा.
नहीं वो तो.
इतना तक चलेगा.
How tall are you?
5'7".
5'7".
So like a 5'10",
Yeah, 5'10", 5'11", good enough.
6'1".
5'10", 5'11" is good. I don't need like. See now 6.
ये
5 is also too tall for me. I don't think
5'11"
I'm-
वाले सब 6 ही बोलते हैं. अरे why the
हाँ,
fuck will
no
they
one
say
ever-
5'11"?
वो मुझे नहीं पसंद. Why
They have
you
to
so
round it off.
insecure, bro? Why you want to round
They
it
want
off?
that one like whatever
Yeah,
that is.
extra push.
But that's also because these girls keep saying, oh, 6
Yeah,
feet and above
6
only.
feet.
No, yeah,
No one
that's-
says 5'11" and
वो लोग भी
above.
चूतिया ही-
I'll say. चल.
5'11" and
do
above.
this, dude.
5'10", 5'11".
5'10" and above.
Yes.
5'9",
Y'all are valid.
Inclusive.
I'm inclusive.
5'9"
about
वाला
short
रो रहा है
kings,
उधर
bro?
कोने में बैठ के.
Five-
What about a 5'9" guy? He's also
Bichara.
2 inches
Five-
taller.
Find a
5'9".
5'3" girl. What's that?
5'9". He doesn't have a boss. He's not a stoner. But he's 5'9". And
he's
his
like,
mom is damn nice. And she won't ask
कभी
you to
तेरे को
cook.
खाना बनाने नहीं बोलेगी.
Yeah.
Do work only all day. Don't come home.
You hot?
He's hot. He's
attractive
hot.
as fuck. 5'9".
How?
Ryan
He's
like
5'9".
Ryan Gosling hot.
He's 5'9", but how
Ryan
can he be
Gosling
that
is your
hot?
guy or what?
नहीं, we were talking earlier.
Yeah.
Oh, we can talk about
Yeah,
that.
let's talk about
So
that.
Sheena said she would rather have Ryan Gosling than
No.
Ryan Reynolds than Ryan Gosling in the Barbie
Yeah.
movie,
Agreed, bro.
which is
I feel like Ryan Gosling has a very, very sharp face for Ken.
No, bro.
Dude,
but Ryan Reynolds can't. He's thoda typecasted as a quirky, funny guy.
Yeah.
So Ken
True,
doesn't make
maybe.
sense.
Maybe Paul Rudd, but he's old now.
He's
I
not
think for-
Ken.
Yeah,
you
he's
know?
not Ken.
Bhai, what is Ken's character in the Barbie universe?
He's just Barbie's accessory, that's it.
हाँ तो
He's an
You're
accessory
like using
boyfriend.
He's just
men as
an object.
objects.
He's just
He's an
object.
accessory boyfriend. Like, you'll see. Are y'all going for the movie?
yeah.
Y'all are. Yeah. So, you'll see. It's just like his life is just Barbie.
Is that how you like a guy?
No.
nahi. That's a red flag, dude.
That's a red
If his
flag.
whole life is
Just the girl.
See, in Barbie, the universe, there's no concept of like
Man.
money,
Oh, man.
Mm.
making money. So,
Huh.
Barbie's just fucking rich somehow.
Huh.
Someday she's an architect, someday she's like a doctor, whatever.
Isn't that the whole thing? Like you can be anything. You're a
Yeah,
Barbie.
which is why Barbie was
Oh
like
my
so popular.
with that Doja Cat t-shirt that you have
No,
on.
but Barbie got so popular because Barbie was like iconic at a time where women weren't allowed to have their own bank accounts also. So when she's like this aspirational thing where you can be whoever you want to be and like
Yeah.
teaching little girls that you can be whatever you want to be, which is why it became like a thing.
But
Yeah.
you can be whatever you want to be. But
Now in a very different
in a woman.
context.
For guys, it was different. For guys, Barbie
Ah.
was like the first naked thing we ever saw.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. I've
Like-
done too much shit on my Barbies.
What?
Whoa.
Cut their hair
Oh, what's
and
that?
like taken their limbs off. Too much.
Hair cutting tak theek hai that.
Took their
I-
limbs off.
Yeah, bro. Because like I wanted to see how it's made. That's why.
Engineering mindset.
See na.
No,
That's
but
how it is.
the movie though looks good.
I'm too excited. So I was saying it's basically you've seen the dialogues. It's very like I've watched all the Barbie movies and all the YouTube channel, like all their videos on the. There's a part I remember vaguely where Ken wakes up, looks at his to-do list. It's written in pink, and it says, "Call Barbie, make breakfast for Barbie, go meet Barbie, take Barbie on a date." Like it's so. That's how his
Yeah.
character is. It's just about Barbie.
Well, and Ryan Gosling agreed to do this is kind of crazy.
So much money
Oh,
in it, bro.
did you? I don't know if you saw that interview, but basically Margot was talking about how and why Ryan Gosling was the perfect Ken because he's just so secure in himself. Because if a man is not that secure, he's not going to be able to do a role like this because it's just so like the movie
Yeah.
doesn't have any name like of the male character.
Yeah,
The entire movie is
just Barbie.
Barbie.
it's Barbie and
Yeah.
it's directed by a female this thing the produce like it's a very female led team also so
Got it.
you need a very secure man to play it
He's like perfect.
and she had seen some interview of his
This guy wants to fuck Ryan Gosling. Bro.
you really like him
He is quite something, dude. That guy.
are you crushing on Ryan Gosling
Ryan Gosling is man crush also. अच्छा बंद
No.
है
he
क्या
really
camera?
likes him
दाता ने
अच्छा, वो है, ठीक है.
he really likes him damn
Yeah.
You watched The Notebook?
He's cried to it also.
oh my
Book,
god
I've watched it in parts, dude. I've never watched it like as a
Acha.
whole.
Ryan Gosling or Ryan Reynolds?
Gosling, bro.
Reynolds 100% just because of like
No, he's funny, so I would be
It's
insecure.
Reynolds, bro.
I feel like I'm,
Reynolds
I
funny.
Because
feel
of
like
his
I'm funnier
relationship.
than Ryan
Reynolds
Gosling.
every day.
Reynolds because of his relationship
As a what
I
are you
like
saying? Just as a person, I'm
Like,
thinking
who
of
would
a
you
possi-
fuck?
Gosling, bro. Gosling looks better, and I can be the funny guy in the relationship.
That dynamic.
Yeah. If
Yeah.
it's like, see,
There'll be
Ryan,
too much
Ryan
competition
Reynolds, I'd rather hang out with.
Hmm.
Ryan Gosling, I would fuck.
interesting
I've thought about this
I can
This wasn't
tell
the first
multiple
time.
times.
Y'all are like really obsessed with the Ryans.
No,
Ryan Reynolds.
He loves Ryan Gosling. I can
I
tell.
like Ryan Gosling.
I like Ryan Reynolds.
No, that's why I was saying Reynolds because of his family and just the kind of husband and father he is. It's too cute, dude. Their relationship.
Yeah, I've seen the.
That speech that she gave when something about he decides to come home every single day, no matter. He could be in like a Superman suit or he
Yeah.
could be covered in fake blood, but he comes home It's so cute. Very cute.
Now I'm thinking about it
Now you
My
want to
choice
get
was
married?
the right decision.
Now you
bro.
want to get married and settle down?
with Ryan Reynolds.
No, just in general because everyone needs a family.
Yeah, for sure. That though I'm a big believer of. Now I'll go for this Barbie movie. Hopefully, bro. I think if you're a guy, like this is the Like if you're trying to ask someone out, this is the
The
thing
way
to
to
do.
do it.
Really?
Yeah.
Take them for the
100%.
Barbie movie.
Huh.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah?
Like,
Would
why
you
not?
like to go for the Barbie
And go
movie?
and-
I
Oh,
would
shit.
be like, marry me right now.
Then
कर
go
दूं?
pretend to
पूछ
like
लूं
the
किसी को?
movie. Yeah.
You
yeah,
should
bro,
do
you
it.
have to do it.
ठीक है,
Bio
चल,
डाल दे
I'll-
Bumble पे.
Bumble,
Looking for
I don't
someone to watch Barbie with.
Yeah.
Piyush is already at work.
का टेम्पलेट चेंज हो जाएगा ये हफ्ते के लिए भाई बारबी मूवी के बाद.
But yeah, I think that's the best way to get.
My
a girl
friends
this
are all
week.
sexist, but I want to watch Barbie.
Yeah.
None of the boys want to watch. So
Isn't
we'll be
John
down.
Cena in the movie too?
Is he?
I think.
Really, I'm
Yeah,
going to
he's
watch
one
it
of-
for
I
that
think-
now.
He's one of
he
Vegas.
has a
But you won't be
character.
able to see him.
Even that other chick, the Margot Robbie lookalike from Sex Education,
Yeah.
that girl.
Oh, she's there too?
She's in it.
That's is she playing her younger sister? Oh my god, that'd be so cool.
Something like that. They to look the
They
same.
look the
only.
same. Her name was May in that, but I don't know her real name.
I don't know. I was talking to someone recently and they were like, the movie looks good and all, but she was like, I think they're a little too old to play Barbie and Ken. But
Fair enough. They're both in their 30s,
But you need
40s,
so
right?
much experience to play
That's-
that kind
so
of role.
that was my thing. Ki they wanted the movie to be really big, so they had to take 2 proven names.
Yeah.
Like Margot Robbie, though some people say she's the best actress.
She's too good. I mean, she did
Oh.
Harley Quinn, right?
She's done too many roles.
But Harley Quinn was like
Iconic.
iconic. The way like that insanity in her eyes, it was so cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's what like Barbie. It might seem like a very bimbo thing, but it's not that easy to play a bimbo, right? Like the dialogues are so funny, dude.
I haven't
It's
even
just,
seen
like,
the trailer. I'm going into the movie just like
It's too funny.
Blank.
It's an open mind.
Yeah.
Same even I haven't
There's
seen
this
the
like
trailer,
there's
nothing.
this part where Ken's just like, so should I come over? And she's like, to do what? And he's like, I don't know. And it's just like it's so
Why are
dumb.
the dialogues so stupid?
Because that's just
They're
how Barbie
dolls, bro.
is.
They don't have genitals.
They don't have a life.
They don't have genitals.
Yeah, I guess
Yeah.
so.
They don't have money. It's just like a fantasy world in which
Everything is pink, everything is
Yeah.
blue, poppy colors.
yeah.
It's like a dopamine filled place to be at
I
for
think
2 hours.
Don't you think it'll do better than Oppenheimer?
No.
No?
No. Globally,
In the
no.
long run.
Not globally.
In the long run, no.
एक कोई
But
शहर
on
में
opening day, yes.
Yeah.
Opening day, because it's just like, fuck. Let's
Dude.
go. We gotta
Everyone
go.
wants to watch Barbie.
And they marketed it like insane, dude. Come on.
Yeah, they did.
They've been marketing it since last year.
Oppenheimer.
Sorry.
Oppenheimer, though, see, that movie will do well because it's a good movie.
Yeah.
It's like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Their only marketing has been Barbie versus Oppenheimer. That's it.
Yeah.
And they don't even need to market it.
Do you think it was planned though to release on the same day or something?
Most probably.
Yeah, because both the movies are gonna do well regardless. Like people are not choosing if I should
Yeah.
watch this.
People
or
are
Yeah,
that.
watching
yeah.
both.
They're like, we'll watch both because
Because
you
now
have
it's
to.
just, I feel like now it's just cool to have an opinion on both, right?
Yeah.
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 I mean, I'm going
Like
on
Also,
what we're
there's
doing here
no
right now.
other good movies out anyway, so you just go and watch them.
Bro, Mission Impossible got fucked because of these
Yeah.
two movies.
They
There was a-
released.
Oh yeah. It
Earlier.
released?
They were released that same day they were supposed to. I don't know if they've released
no.
or not.
I think it's
They-
released already.
It's released
They've
already.
released it already, but
Mm.
the movie Mission Impossible is usually a big movie, right? When it
Yeah.
comes out. So now, this weekend when these two movies release,
Mm.
there are only a selected number of screens where they can.
Watch Mission Impossible.
Like abroad, though, they don't have as 4 or 5 movies at the same time. Like
Yeah,
India.
yeah.
So the screens have to be split, and obviously all the cinemas who want to make money are gonna show Oppenheimer and Barbie.
Yeah.
So they like Tom Cruise was really pissed off because he's like, my movie is good enough to be shown
Yeah.
enough times, but
Yeah.
there's not enough screens.
So did they release it already? They did release it. I know they released it in Dubai.
I think it's out.
इधर
my
भी
friend
हो गया है,
watched
यहाँ भी
it.
हो गया है release.
Yeah, that's crazy. So what, like they're just gonna play Barbie and Oppenheimer in all these theaters?
Yeah.
What about Indian movies? Is
No,
anything
they-
Indian
releasing?
movies will go
This
on
is
for sure.
what I said was for like the US and
Huh.
the global.
Yeah,
market.
probably.
I'll to
probably.
go, bro. I'm thinking of wearing a full pink outfit and
Dude, I'm doing that.
wearing pink.
Yeah, fully. I got NYX did this collaboration with Barbie and like they released makeup. I was
What is
very annoyed
NYX?
I didn't get, it's a cosmetics brand. I was very annoyed that I didn't get the PR. And I was like, how can you not see the insanity in my eyes? I was so disappointed. But yeah, I bought that collection and I'm gonna go in full pink. I have a pink umbrella also. If it rains, I'm ready. I'm
Fully
ready.
prepared.
God damn.
I'm ready.
bro.
I'm ready.
It's gonna be a challenge to find pink pants, I think.
As
For
a
I
dude,
have
yeah,
a
as a guy.
hot pink skirt that I'm wearing.
Can you lend it to him after you're done?
Yes, okay.
A hot pink skirt.
Yeah, you should wear it.
I thought we've
But
already.
you know, you can wear powder blue also.
Like Ken.
Yeah.
But I
Powder
want to
blue.
be Barbie.
You want to be Barbie?
I can be anything.
You should wear pink, but then like it's more about accessorizing to be Barbie. Like you need to have like things that are popping and you look like not normal, like straight out of like a comic.
Like Ranveer Singh.
Basically, if Ranveer Singh at any given point wears a pink outfit or even like a popping blue outfit, he's gonna be just ready to fit into the movie.
उसको कैन बना सकते थे हाँ?
No,
Like
he would do.
Indian
he would kill
Yeah.
it.
Desi Ken.
Why didn't they put Indian Barbie?
They
also in
should
the-
have, right?
Like how they did Indian Spider-Man in the new Spider-Man.
That was too fun.
Yeah. Indian Ken.
Mumbattan.
Mumbattan.
Fuck that.
Who would be Indian Barbie, you think?
Indian Barbie.
Oh, wait. Fuck.
That's
don't
a
have
good
Katrina
question.
Kaif, bro.
Katrina, of course. She was
But
the
now,
of course.
Still,
Still
bro, how can you
Katrina
have like a
Kaif, bro.
40-year-old Barbie?
You have a 40-year-old Margot Robbie. Right?
Margie.
Sounds like she's straight
Margot
out of
Robbie.
She is 40.
chamber.
She's not
Margie.
40. In 2013, she was 23.
Okay, do the math.
Or whenever Wolf of Wall Street came out, she was
No,
23.
you can have. I feel like now with Botox and all, you never know, bro. It's fine. And you can do like airbrushing also in the
Yeah.
this and whatever. No, but Katrina was the first Indian ambassador for Barbie. They have to make her Barbie if they do an Indian thing. But who would be Ken is my question.
Ranveer Singh.
Yeah.
You really think so?
Yeah.
I don't think
Vicky
so.
Kaushal.
I think Ranbir Kapoor.
Ranveer Singh.
Ranbir
Oh,
Kapoor
Ranbir
is
Kapoor.
more Ken than
Ranbir
most.
Kapoor is the best
Ranbir
Ken you can
Kapoor,
think
yeah.
of. But Katrina Ranbir won't do, na?
Why not?
Arre,
Yeah,
calm
we are
down.
talking like as if tomorrow only they're going to
No,
fund the
but
film.
bro, but
Vicky Kaushal is
dynamic-
very secure as a husband. I think it'll
हाँ
be.
तो dynamic wise I'm saying कि Vicky Kaushal is kind of Ken in real life too. Katrina
Dude,
being Barbie.
yeah. Yeah, she's Barbie, he's just Ken. It's true. It's true.
No, but girls.
That's what I
girls
want my
love-
relationship to be like. She's Barbie, he's just Ken.
God damn.
But you to said I
You
want
said
financially
exactly.
literate. Ken doesn't
Yeah,
know taxes and all for sure.
But I'm in the spotlight now.
But I asked you that time saying, would you like a guy whose whole life is about you? You said no.
Arey, but like a little bit more than normal. Yes, I want it to be about me. I'm a very like
You want him to
passenger
obsess
princess
over you.
mentality girlfriend.
You
So
lost me. What does that mean?
बाजू में बैठ के मेरे को कुछ नहीं करना है. I just want to be
She just wants to sit and look
taken
pretty,
care
that's
of.
you know,
Always.
honestly, like I know this is a little patriarchal to say.
Say it. Say it.
I really want to be a trophy wife.
Yeah,
And
उसमें
I'm
कोई-
saying this with a lot of privilege, I know. But I really want to be a trophy wife, dude. Like, and just work because I have a passion. You know?
Like
Be an interior designer.
Oh,
want to be
like,
able
wow,
to
I'm so
stop
passionate
working.
about curtains. Let me make some.
Let me help redesign your house.
let my husband fund my company.
Oh fuck.
And then I'll just suddenly write a book. Like, and inspire women.
Do like a wine and cheese tasting
Bro,
party.
Michelle,
and-
Michelle Obama.
No, bro. I mean,
Yeah, man.
actually, I don't know.
Bro, what has Michelle Obama done?
She's a lawyer. They met at
Oh.
Harvard, no?
ठीक है, but like she's Obama's wife now.
Chal, ठीक है, even I'll meet someone at an Ivy League, then even I'll have some worth. What's
yeah,
there?
Yeah. Some worth though you.
No, but yeah, like sometimes I think about it. I'm like, it'll be so great to be a trophy wife. But it's not possible to like
But being a
have
trophy
everything.
wife, being a trophy wife is different than being a Barbie, and like I'm assuming Barbie makes more money than Ken.
Yeah.
So
There's no concept of money in the Barbie universe.
Don't
But
try
in
to
your
make
life
sense
there will
of
be, no?
Barbie, dude.
Yeah.
Don't
we have
rationalize
to
it.
go into it with that mentality.
Yeah.
It's just silly.
No, it's not real. This is
real.
It's just senseless watching. Yeah, you go with an
No.
open mind. Like there's no story
No,
behind
you're
it.
humanizing an iconic
Doll.
doll. Yeah, that's it.
Got it. It's like Toy Story
Yeah.
Mm.
kind
it
of,
is a Toy
yeah.
Story.
It is a Toy
with
Story.
more character and personality.
I think Toy Story has more personality. Like that guy cries and all, bro, when Andy gets lost.
Yeah.
That's
What,
one.
what an
Quite
iconic-
emotional.
Dude,
no?
Toy Story. Haven't all you guys cried after
Haven't
watching
watched
the
it.
nahi?
Cried for what? No.
Like the third movie when he goes to
I did.
college.
I
Oh,
did. It
yeah,
was
yeah.
so.
When he leaves
yeah.
them and he goes, then wo to hai bhai. You cry.
It was an
They-
emotional moment.
and when he gives them to some
Yeah,
other kid.
that kid छोटा बच्चा जो होता है
Yeah,
and then
yeah.
he goes away.
Bro, you remind me of that kid.
Spike, that evil kid.
Oh yeah, you
Yeah,
actually
no?
do look like
Why?
that kid.
Fuck,
Yeah.
you look like a mix of Jimmy Neutron and that kid.
Jimmy Neutron is still
True,
fine,
na?
bro. I've never hurt any toys in my
You don't
life.
have to. I'm just saying you look it. You just need braces.
I had.
He
Yeah,
had
at
as a
some
child.
point. Yeah.
He was Jimmy Neutron.
You should pull up that picture and compare.
Of me and Spike.
Yeah.
Was that
And
his name?
Spike, no, he was always in a black t-shirt, little manic kind of
Yeah,
guy.
yeah.
That
He would.
skull na on his.
Yeah.
Yeah,
He would
that
fuck
guy.
around.
He
with
looks
the
like that
toys.
kid with the punchable face.
Yeah.
That's
yeah.
crazy, bro. They made a villain out of some random kid who.
So sad, no?
Yeah, he's like.
True.
He was just probably curious. वो अभी engineer बना रहेगा, bro. वो बच्चा, he was so curious
Or a
about
doctor.
opening.
It's always
Yeah.
the misunderstood ones.
Mechanical engineer बना रहेगा भाई वो.
हाँ.
Always the misunderstood ones.
The misunderstood ones, sometimes they go in a very different direction also.
Yeah,
They
that's true.
misunderstand life.
Yeah. Like
Yeah.
these serial killers and all.
And
They are
terrorists
misunderstood
also.
kids
Terrorists
only.
also.
Yeah.
It's
Over
true.
there.
Bro, I saw this one picture of some terrorist who had a bomb in his chappal.
Huh?
Like
Chappal?
inside the chappal there was a bomb and they caught it and it didn't explode.
Aren't bombs
That's-
like round?
No, bro.
It's not
That-
Looney
the,
Tunes.
the emoji, yes, but
No, but I'm serious. What does
The
it
round-
like?
Oh, she's talking
Oh, no,
about a
no.
grenade. I
Grenade you're
think.
talking
No, but I've
about.
also seen like those lots of wires, but those are big, right? Like with the timer and all.
so there's bombs can be in any
Yeah.
shape.
How tiny can a bomb be?
छोटा से छोटा बम भी हो सकता है.
Who's talking about his?
We all saw that coming. I knew that was one of you had to crack that joke.
So
always
this
happens.
guy had it in his chappal and they found it, whatever it did. So that's why they keep asking people to remove their shoes. now
That's
at the airport
crazy.
and all.
Boots and everything,
Yeah.
right? Boots and jackets.
Yeah,
That
remove your
makes
shoes.
sense. They
remove
never
this.
ask me to remove my boots.
I get offended, bro, when I go to the mall and they're checking everyone. Sometimes they're like, "Haan, go."
Check
You
ना.
get offended.
Yeah, I'm like, what? You don't think I'm dangerous enough? Like,
Check तो कर भाई. मेरे पास हो सकता है gun.
But it beep, no, if you walk through the thing.
हाँ.
But that'll be so late. Like coming to think of it, it's such a stupid concept.
Why?
What?
That thing beeps.
Huh.
Let's that person's timer is set.
You open,
the
there's
minute
a
you.
bomb here. Then what? What are you gonna do?
Yeah, what is the security guard going to do?
Yeah.
Stop him.
From
And
what?
do what? How is he going to stop?
Immediately take him to like a location
Yeah, but
where...
what if I
He just presses the button,
Can
bro. He
you do
walks
that?
inside the
Oh, then
mall.
what is that called?
refuse?
No. Those people who
Suicide bombers.
sleeper cells.
Sleeper cells.
What is a sleeper
Is it
cell?
sleeper cells? I don't know. Something like the people who are okay with dying, like to
हाँ,
create
suicide
a bomb
bombers, ना?
blast.
हाँ,
हाँ,
suicide.
Suicide
bomber.
bombers. Sleeper cells क्या
Sleeper
होता
cell
है?
क्या
Those
होता
are
है? वही
like
तो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ.
hidden terrorists.
Yeah.
कुछ तो होगा.
कुछ तो रहेगा.
हाँ. मैं
छुपा देते हैं वो लोग कहीं वैसा.
Yeah. They're
Maybe
like
they're not
middle of the
looking-
crowd. You'll never know.
Oh,
Like
dude.
Fana.
Maybe they're not looking for bombs. Maybe they're looking for like outside food.
बाहर का पानी.
Bro,
या
I
खाना.
feel they get more offended if you get outside food
I
than
agree.
a bomb.
No, that's only in the theater. Mall mein you can take.
What,
Can you?
bomb?
Yeah. No, like chips and all you can take.
Yeah.
I saw this reel. This girl had taped like chips ka packets in her baggy jeans, and she
They went for
walked
a
through.
movie.
She went for a movie. They're pulling it out and eating it.
It's actually very smart.
But what if they do that?
They don't.
Khach
Who the fuck
pura-
does that,
No, like they check now.
But
No.
पैर पे नहीं
Women,
करता
I
ना
don't
कोई.
think they do that.
bro? Honestly, in the last 5 years, I haven't gotten like touched. I haven't gotten touched in the last 5 years.
You've seen that video of that guy at the airport. They're properly checking him,
Uh-huh.
and like on his thigh, they're checking, and that guy is like, "What is that?" And the guy, "That'll be my penis." I was like, "Oh, okay."
I haven't watched that. What the hell? But imagine, bro, so embarrassing if someone has like a big dick, and they're like,
How embarrassing.
I'd die of embarrassment.
God damn, I'd be so embarrassed.
this is
I want to
like
be embarrassed.
this is like that. No, what you're scared of attract. You attract what you're afraid of. And then you're
Yeah.
like, oh, I'm so scared of $2 million.
Bro. Speaking of big dicks, you guys, I don't know if you guys know about this. You know who Adam22 is?
Yeah.
Oh yes, I know.
Okay,
Adam
we'll
22
tell
is.
you. Adam22.
Adam 22.
So excited.
He's this podcaster, internet personality,
Okay.
and he is married to this porn star, and he's
Okay.
also a porn star. What they do is they have this podcast called the No Jumper podcast. So they get other porn stars on, they talk to them for an hour, and then they have sex and they post that also.
They'll have a threesome.
They do a
every day.
podcast.
Yeah, the podcast is free to watch, but the after ka
Is
sex
members
is
only.
like
OnlyFans.
It's a paid thing.
or
Huh?
You
they have
can't do it
their
on
own
YouTube also, right? You're not allowed
It's not
to,
on
no?
YouTube.
So with the business model for that is crazy, bro.
That's
because
insane.
if you watch a podcast for 1 hour and you know they're going to have sex, like that's such a great
That's a
story.
build up
Segue.
to that, yeah.
They must be making crazy money on
Yeah,
OnlyFans.
they make a lot of money.
So now there is this other dude who
Intense.
has like this massive penis. Okay? And this guy's
How
wife,
big is this guy's
it-
penis?
it's like
Okay, so I'll
ginormous.
break this down
Can
thoda
you,
more.
like, give me
Because I watched that
measurements?
podcast. So after,
You watched the podcast?
yeah, I watched that
Then?
episode.
Oh.
Then I
Wait, the
could-
dude
Then
is
you
also in the episode.
No, he's not. So the female porn star, his
Mm.
wife,
Mm.
she does this video with like a black person
Hmm.
with probably the biggest dick in the porn industry,
Oh my
and
god.
she
that's
wanted to
okay.
do it kyunki that's a thing. That's a big thing.
Yeah, like business-wise.
Business wise, like she's gonna get views on that
Yeah.
video.
The thing is, she's never been with a guy apparently in a scene before. Is what I read somewhere.
No, bro.
With
She's
the
a
guy?
porn star.
Then
Yeah,
maybe.
but she
No,
must
what
have done
they-
only lesbian porn is what he's saying, I think.
Oh,
yeah,
wait.
I think she's never been
huh.
with a dude, and this is the first time she's doing a male scene, and it comes like
Yeah.
1 week after her marriage.
Yeah, I think what they do is
That's insane.
on the podcast they get other female porn stars.
Yeah,
and
they
the
only
guy
get
And
and
they
the
have a
woman,
threesome.
They have like a threesome or something.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now she's fucked this other big black dude, and then this guy has obviously been okay with it. Adam22, whatever.
You have to be so secure to be married.
Yeah.
So now this
Oh
whole
my
it has
God.
become a thing. Like there were too many memes about how the fuck can you let your wife get fucked by whatever, and they're like, how is she gonna go back to fucking this guy after fucking that guy? So now it's become
People
like
just
this whole
forget that emotions are a thing, no, while having sex.
yeah.
They think it's so like about,
Bro, people are
and
doing reaction videos also to the porn.
huh? How?
They're not showing it, but they're like reacting to.
Oh
And
my
you can say now what
God.
is happening. Like
Yeah.
right now, if I play that, I'm like, oh, he's doing this, he's doing that. We can still post that.
But isn't that graphic content?
But we are just talking about
You're just
it.
talking
So that's
about
allowed.
हाँ दिखा नहीं रहे ना.
Hmm.
Crazy.
So now it's become a whole thing.
But
And
then
he's
like,
just like, bro, this is like great. I'm so proud of her.
He's
They
like,
have
"I'm
a-
so
But
happy."
that's a super secure dude. Exactly what.
They
it
have,
is.
dude,
they
like,
have
it's
like a
so
daughter.
cool.
or
They have a
something.
kid also.
ah, sweet, nice only.
And then they asked him once. So they asked him, he's like, "What if your what if your daughter wants to do porn or OnlyFans?" And he was like, "I'd have to be a really big dick to stop her from doing so, because my whole career is
Yeah,
built on this."
true, really. That's true.
Yeah. Jokes were damn funny, but bro, the whole jokes
But I
part
feel
was.
like that's what, because of how bizarre it is to us, like, you know, being in that business, you just don't understand. Like, that. I don't think I can ever understand the mindset that goes on behind being in the porn industry.
Mm.
Like, it's just so wild to me how you can just fuck on, like, camera
Camera.
and on demand, and, like, it's like,
Yeah.
bro,
Now the culture around it is changing. Before there were just these people who fucked on camera. Now they're going on podcasts, so their personality is coming out, and then you get an understanding of what goes on.
yeah. I
And
think
because it's
so.
marketing for them, because now
Yeah.
everyone is doing OnlyFans. So let's say someone who is an OnlyFans girl comes on this podcast, she knows she's gonna get these many subscriptions out of it. So they are incentivized to put their personality out there.
Hmm. Yeah.
And also, you would rather see someone doing porn or see someone naked if you have some
know
context.
who they
of-
are. That's true. That's true. I think that like when you watch a lot of porn, I think it must be normal for someone to want to know what the person's actually like if you've seen enough of them. Maybe. I
Yeah.
don't know.
yeah.
So this does work. But I'm just thinking of how scary it is for some person who's going just some shit in their life. It's so easy for them to just get lost in this universe.
Yeah, it happens.
that's
so
why.
much.
Because
that's
you
how
know
it starts, no?
everything about this person. You're watching them on a podcast also. You're listening to them talk, you know, their views, ideologies, and you're also watching them fuck
Yeah.
people.
It's a slippery slope.
It's so scary to think like,
And a lot of them really struggle to get into a proper relationship even after they decide to.
yeah.
Like now I see Sunny and she seems like she's in a happy family and she stopped doing
Yeah.
porn. And it obviously takes a lot for someone to go from that to get to a
Yeah.
normal life. Like, how can-
Mainstream Bollywood movies.
She
Huh?
hasn't
Can you
really
imagine?
done mainstream.
She's done mainstream
Oh, she
Bollywood
was.
No,
movies.
bro.
right?
like not
Huh.
acting wise, but she's been in like Rais. If you do an item song in a Shah Rukh
Yeah,
movie, it's
yeah,
like,
Yeah.
fair. fair. But she's like very active on TV also. Like she's
Acha.
more
She's-
active on TV.
TV shows.
Yeah, like she comes on this.
Splits
Oh,
Villa
हाँ,
Roadies
Yeah,
and all
she
of
yeah,
that.
hosts no all
She
these also.
did Ranveer's podcast abhi.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
I
I think
haven't
I
seen it,
saw.
but I saw
think I saw. Yeah.
Nice.
But like I saw this thing also. Mia Khalifa was talking about how she's barely done like 12 videos.
What?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, bro,
Yeah,
she's-
exactly.
And why is she so iconic?
Bro, she blew
Snake.
up
Because of what she
that
did.
One
One
video.
That
video.
one video where she was wearing a hijab
Hijab.
and doing
Oh.
stuff.
Yeah.
But that's what she was like. I didn't. There's no way to stop it. People
Yeah.
are making millions off of me,
Yeah.
and
But she fucked up, bro. Like,
so much of
she's-
it comes from self-esteem issues. It's really sad.
yeah, but
Like-
I am with what she did. Like, first of all, her name isn't Mia Khalifa. Secondly, she's not even Muslim.
Oh really?
She's just done that video because she knew it would blow the fuck up. So
Fuck.
that's why when she put that video on, all the Muslim people got pissed off.
Obviously,
She's like a Catholic.
Oh,
She's
I
a
never
Christian
knew
girl.
I didn't
She's
know
a Christian girl, bro. She's like Lebanese Christian or something.
Oh really?
I might be wrong, but I know she's
No, but
Christian
she
for
spoke
sure.
about this. She was like, I didn't know also what was happening. They just put
Yeah,
it on and they
yeah.
were like,
Yeah.
oh.
It was probably sold to her. I mean, she wasn't smart enough to
She was
figure-
young and she was
She was a
kind of
child, I
talked
guess,
into
like
it
18,
also
19
maybe.
year old.
But like, yeah, bro. Now it's just like,
It's her thing, bro. She said she's spoken about how she tried to get a job and she'd go to her office.
Mm.
And obviously, people are looking at her.
that's so scary, no? Like,
You don't have a date. Now she can't do anything like a regular person does.
it's
We have
sad.
to move to a place where they don't watch porn at all.
They don't have internet.
They don't have internet.
Bro,
porn.
but that video is so iconic that people who don't have internet also have probably seen something of
And
it.
they would have at least heard the name, bro, Mia Khalifa.
Yeah, because it's like in songs and shit also.
Yeah.
Not just like, not just porn. Sad.
But I don't know if there are any porn stars who are like proper celebrities
Oh,
for being
Johnny
porn stars.
Sins, bro.
Johnny Sins?
Johnny Sins.
Yeah,
He's undeniably a celebrity.
Yeah, I'm sure he's recognized everywhere he
Yeah.
goes, bro.
Why though? What's it? Why is he like a celebrity?
He's-
Why is he so big?
Yeah.
That
Who?
he's blessed.
No, he is like, if you think of porn as a job, he's really good at his job. It's
and
like
he's
that.
played like all characters.
Yeah.
He's played an astronaut. He's played a doctor.
Oh God.
He's played
Yeah,
a
so
masseuse,
that
He's
was his
like
thing.
the Barbie of porn.
Yeah.
You can be anything you want. You can fuck any girl you want.
That's crazy.
That became his thing. Like, he'd play all the characters.
हाँ
Dude.
वैसा था.
Quite literally.
Now, then he started doing YouTube also, and then he realized he has a very big following in India. So he's done a lot of videos where he's like trying Indian snacks and
That's so
Oh,
cute.
I never
though.
knew this.
and
That's
he's
like that
उसने
that
भुवन
gym
बाम
guy
के
you've
साथ
seen.
एक वीडियो बनाया.
huh?
भुवन बाम.
So cute.
Yeah.
Hey, that's
Johnny
damn
Sins.
sweet,
And he's
bro.
damn likable, like as a
Yeah, I'm
personality.
sure. I mean, if he's having
You,
so much
of course you're
fun.
sure.
I don't know.
India
I
में
haven't watched.
अगर India में if porn was like legal, there would be proper celebrities. Because India as a
Dude,
country
in
consumes.
India, soft porn is like really big,
Yeah.
right?
On these platforms.
And because I was like an avid Deepak Kalal watcher for a while until he got like cancelled, he used to go live with these really random women. And then, you go in like that stalking spree. So you just end up like from profile to profile to profile.
No.
I ended up, no, you don't? Okay. I have an unhealthy Instagram addiction, so maybe that's why. But I've ended up on like the weird side of Instagram sometimes. And these people are like
What?
they're porn stars only, I'm sure.
But without the full
Yeah.
nudity and without.
No, I'm sure they do porn like properly,
not
but
that
not on
famous.
Instagram. Because like they talk about it like that. Like their reels are just like idhar link pe click karo and all. It's so weird.
Yeah. No, in India, what they're doing now, it's like private one-on-one paid chats. is
yeah.
a thing,
Yeah, they've
video
started.
calls.
Were you ever on Clubhouse?
Yeah.
Did you ever
Go to a
see
morning
those
room.
red rooms?
No,
There
no.
were red rooms. I never knew this.
There were-
There was this thing
Dude.
called red rooms, and it's basically like a woman talking, and she talks to each person in that room, and she's like, "Oh my god, I don't." it's like a guilty this thing. I should not know about this. No, but she just like talks to them. And it's so freaky because like 1 minute she's just talking normally, okay, abhi next kaun hai ye wo, and the minute she starts talking, she changes her tone completely, and she's like, "Hi," And it's like I hear it now, I'm immediately
Fuck.
violated. It's so weird. And then,
What, everyone else is also in the
yeah,
room?
yeah, everyone said they're waiting for their turn.
God damn.
Yeah.
They're waiting for their turn. So then she's like,
Shit.
"Hi, Karan.
But is this
Kya kar
like
rahe ho tum?" It's so fucking
But was she at least
weird.
getting paid for this or not?
No, no.
Clubhouse पे तो how?
Dude, it's too weird. And no, but what
Samaj
they do
seva.
is, चलो अभी हमने इतनी बात की whatever, and then the chat they put their number and they're like 5-minute WhatsApp call and like
हाँ,
shit like
they
that.
sell
So
calls,
like for
they sell
2K or
Okay, so
something
this was like a
that.
free.
This is distribution.
It's premium.
Free
correct.
sample.
This is premium model.
Yeah.
But it's too weird, dude. Like that. So that's the thing. Like
Yeah.
it's happening in
they
a
have-
weird scale. I don't know
Yeah,
what
they
it is.
have bots also, like they comment on the
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
WhatsApp me at this.
Mhm.
That.
But Indians are so disconnected from sex in general that it's easy to do all these random
Yeah.
things because there's no sex education in India.
We'll just fall for it.
So people are just like, oh my god. That's why soft porn also on YouTube. There was a period of time where the trending number 1, number 2 videos were these weird like bhabhi porn
Yeah.
videos.
Soft porn only.
Soft
yeah.
porn only, yeah. But like, and it's what is it, bro? My friend and I used to sit and laugh watching this
This
because.
guy had come home the other day to like deliver some furniture or something.
Huh.
And he was like, what do you guys do? And then I was like, YouTube, whatever. What do you guys do? He didn't say. He's like, aap karte kya ho? Because here though now it's become a thing. Anyone who comes to do some kind of work and he sees a bunch of kids living together in this house, they're like,
What the fuck
do
do you do?
guys do?
तुम लोग क्या करते हो?
How?
Yeah.
What is this?
Yeah, how I
So then we
Yeah, it's
we
absurd.
tell them वो internet YouTube पे videos बनाते हैं.
Yeah.
So he's like, आपका channel दिखाओ. So he handed me his phone and I clicked on search, bro, and his search history was just like
Soft porn.
very specific things that he was looking for, bro. Like,
Man knew what he wanted.
bro, I don't know if I should say it. He's like पाकिस्तानी
Okay.
औरत 2 मर्द के साथ something, bro. Like that. Like,
That's
But that's what I'm saying, dude. Like India, it's wild. There's so much we don't know about our
Oddly
population.
specific, yeah.
this was someone else's search history. I'm just trying to clear this.
The second
उसके ऊपर
clarification.
untriggered.
Yeah. Now
I was
it's
like, ये बंदा तो मेरा वीडियो नहीं देखने वाला है, bro. His interests are
Yeah, very
somewhere else
different.
only.
Very different. Yeah, dude.
I've looked up porn on YouTube and I didn't know what porn was. Like,
You start there only, no?
yeah, and
That's
then
like the OG search engine for
Yeah.
videos.
then you realize कि नहीं होता
कुछ
है.
नहीं है there.
You're not
Yeah.
going to find it here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, bro, this was what 2 hours.
fuck. It's
More
so
than 2, bro. 2.5, I
This
guess.
is the longest
नहीं
Sheena
चला, but-
episode.
बहुत मजा आया.
Another banger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sheena's banger after banger after.
That's-
Chalo, thank you for doing this. Round 5 soon.
You
Soon.
should not say round 5 after all the sex conversation.
This is not how we should end it.
And just
Fun. Masti.